Morning, everyone. Dobre utro. Buenos dias. How's everybody doing? How's everybody enjoying the market bleeding like crazy today? Good times, good opportunities. Well, let's change the flipping camera to the um, stock market screen and see what the hell's going on. Okay, yeah, looks like it was down the SPY. S&P 500 down 1.52%. I don't have any of that one, but it's down a lot. Let's see, let's look at the market. Let's look at the chart. Pretty crazy stuff right here. Pretty crazy stuff. Look at that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Bleeding market like crazy. That means some more Black Friday deals in the stock market. Awesome. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's see. Let's check QQQ. See what QQQ is doing. QQQ is down for the day 2.36% overnight. It started to go back up a little bit. It's not too bad, I guess. Flipping rain camera. Let's see. Let's look at the chart here. See what it looks like here. Yeah, it's down quite a bit. That's crazy for an ETF, for a big ETF to be down less. Pretty decent. Pretty crazy. Well, at least it started kind of heading up at night, so it's not too bad. Let's see. My portfolio is down quite a bit today. You can see that from all the downtrend with the market. Everything like red like crazy. So much red. There's a couple of green. Look, there's a Costco that's green. There's the bull that's bullish. A couple little things here and there. Let me see here. Maybe I should flipping through the paper and ask if the market will start recovering here. Even the elf got a cut. Even the elf is bleeding. Look at that. I mean, it bled quite a bit. I mean, it started to patch itself up a little bit. Like it started to go up at night. But even the flipping beautiful elf is bleeding. That's crazy. I mean, it is what it is. Poor little elf. Nvidia, crazy stuff. Down a whole bunch. It started to move up a tiny bit overnight, but yeah, it's down quite a bit. I got one call option I'm down on that one. I was up on it this morning. I tried to close it at a profit, but it got away from me before I could do that. Like I opened the order to sell it and then it got away from me. It's okay, it's a long dated option, so there's time for that thingy to recover. That's funny. That's pretty funny actually. Oh yeah, it's like a sea of red, like so much stock, everything's red. I was able to close some things at a profit a little bit, but in general, the portfolio's like down. Let's see the take-home profit stuff. So today, I think I closed out. I took some profit. I sold some of the Walmart stuff, very little that I had. I sold the Tesla stock that I had, the Tesla leverage. I thought that it would keep on dipping, so I was like the TSL leverage. So I sold that, made $36 with that today, and then it dipped some more. So I was able to at least save that one over there. But I got one too many positions to save everything at once. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, for the week right now, the gains are not much, but for the month, it's still okay. Because I'm working during the day, I'm not able to do much trades. Pretty crazy, trading and working. For the month, it's 2,734. It's take-home profits. 3 months, 6,582. Year to date since April, that's what do you call it? 8,010. Because right here since April, that's when I started. But yeah, the take-home profits are okay. They're fine. They're better than nothing. You're seeing that I work during the day, but the crazy market crash, market dip, it's pretty crazy because in general my portfolio is just down a lot for the day or in general. Sometimes I take $5 a day. Oh well, nice, nice. That works for sure. Oh, you lost 100 in a day before? That's a decent loss. Over here in a day, it's not a loss. It's a paper loss because I didn't sell at a loss. But see, it's down $2,477 in a day, quite a bit. So it means it's a good opportunity to get some more stocks at a discount. Let me see. I should probably ask the paper and say like see if the market crash is like almost done. Let's see. Is the market crash almost done? Let's see. Almost over. Let's see what it says. It said the paper said yes. So the market crash is almost over. The paper said yes. So that's a good sign, sort of halfway a little bit, right? The flipping paper said yes. Hell yeah. Gotta adjust the screen here a little bit. My XRP is down 3,600. Oh wow, that's quite a bit too. Hey there, Diesel. No, I didn't catch that one. Like I actually, what do you call it? I had to sell out of my Tesla, the TSL leverage stuff, and I wasn't able to catch the Walmart because I'm so busy at work. See, my portfolio is down like over 2 grand for the day. I was about to get out of the, what do you call it, Nvidia. See, I'll show you. I sold the Tesla, all the TSL leverage stuff. I sold that right here. See, let me see. Realized profit and loss. See, I closed out of that one. Remember, I had the whatever little bit of Walmart I had, I sold, but like the Tesla, I sold that. Remember, I had like 1,500 shares or something like that. I sold all of that, the Tesla leverage, and it kept like because it was in the profit zone. So I sold it. I thought I'll buy some more back when it dips quite a bit more. So yeah, after I sold it at a profit, some profits better than nothing, and started dipping some more like crazy. But I wasn't able to sell my Tesla, real Tesla stocks, like, because like everything was moving so fast. I've got so much positions, but I wasn't able really to do anything much. I was gonna get into the Walmart thingy, but I wasn't able to. Like I said, my hands were full at work, and plus I got so much different positions. Like it's hard to do everything at once. I only buy stock as a whole. Oh, nice, nice. I snuck in another Walmart call. Oh, nice. You're gonna do very good. Like you should be able to do very good on that one. The Walmart, like it's one of the safest, best stocks. I literally made so much thousands. Kind of like what I showed. What I do, rinse and repeat. Just ride the waves up and down. Pretty much. That's like one of the easiest, safest trades. Let's see my options. Oh, my options are not doing good. See right there, hymns. This is a cash secured put. So this one's down $363. So my break even on that one is this is the one where I collect the premiums. So on this one, like my break even is 35.80, and right now it's at 33.55. So kind of down a little bit on that one in general. Open thing, yeah, I'm down like that's another, it's a covered call, and the thing is the open door company being pretty shady with their options. See, they're not allowing me to do a whole bunch of stuff with it, but yeah, and I got like shares with it. Novitas thingy, I'm down on that one, 340. That's a what do you call it? Cash secured put. Sell everything, it's coming down. Oh really? That's crazy. I am in TSLL, AMD, NVIDIA, ETC. Oh wow. Yeah, I sold a tiny bit of that TSLL today when I was at work. I learned that one the Walmart call from you, bro. Thanks. Oh, you're welcome, Diesel. Like I kind of regret not being able to get in it, but like if it does dip to 100 or like slightly less, I'll try. I was just too busy to try to at least close something at a profit as the market was dipping, so I wasn't able to catch the Walmart play. But yeah. Yeah, there's a big possibility that the stocks will keep on plunging for a tiny bit, but it's a market, nobody knows. It's just being kind of crazy. So we'll see what happens. So right now, like everything's kind of red quite a bit. Hey there, Jared. Hi, hello. Is Friday most likely bullish after three mediocre days? I have a feeling. It's right now with everything dipping. Like it's hard to predict exactly what's gonna happen. Like right now, it's like such a indecisive time. I think from what I kind of heard, like why the market dipped, because like the Nvidia earnings call was good. Like the Walmart earnings was pretty good. So like from what I heard, there was like a weird glitch in the crypto like side to where like the crypto bots was selling out a whole bunch of portfolios for a lot of people. Like and it like did a chain reaction like with a whole bunch more stuff that was linked to it. So like yeah, it was pretty crazy stuff. So if that's the case, then hopefully it's not gonna be a very big one. But if it is, we might just have to grab some stocks at a cheaper price. Let me see. I might try to see where the crypto's at, where the cyber puppies sitting at. Them cyber puppies are probably angry. Them cyber puppies are probably pissed because they're hungry as hell. Let's check the Shiba because I once in a while I like to feed that one. So even this one, it's down quite a bit. Feed pupper. Yep, exactly. You know the call. Hey there, Maslow. Good to see you here. Glad you made it. Yeah, I gotta feed the cyber pupper for sure. I'll probably feed it like a dollar. It's not much. A dollar probably better than nothing. Like I gotta make sure it's fed at least a little bit, and then I'll ask the paper if I should feed it some more. Like my cyber puppies are hungry. I don't want them to bite me like crazy, so I gotta ask if I should feed it some more. Okay, should I feed my cyber puppy some more? Let's see what it says. The Shiba Inu cyber puppy. So it said yes. So I'll probably toss in another couple bones. I think he'll be happy. It'll be sort of halfway happy. It said yes. I'll probably toss it another couple bones. Two more bones for the puppers won't hurt. Let's see, a couple bones, a couple more bones for the puppers, for the cyber puppers. Yeah, like whatever I'm buying, I'm not buying much muscle. I actually sold a little bit of stuff. See, I have a little bit more buying power. See, I got $3,974 buying power right here. See, today I sold. I cleared out like I was trying to clear out some more, but see over here the Tesla. I sold whatever shares I had. So I made a little bit of profit on that one. So I sold all that one out. I'll probably like start buying it later. But I had to get rid of something because the market was tanking. So like I saw that at a profit, so I was like, I'll take that. Yeah, I think there's a big Maslow. I think he might be right. I think there's a big potential for it hitting 77,000. I switched to crypto trading. It made 180K in 1 month. Wow, that's crazy there. Wilm Feuerstein. Hard to say your name. Hey there, Slums. Bitcoin only $10 right now. Oh, GG. The wow, like Maslow, you really think that Bitcoin is going down all the way to 43K? That's crazy if that's the case. He's lying. It's a big potential. There's a big chance it might, but we'll see. Something weird triggered the crypto bots to sell off everybody's what do you call it? Crypto stocks. I mean crypto positions and stuff like that. Which is kind of weird. Actually, I want to check out gold. Gold might be kind of worth it. Probably gold's down too, I'm assuming. Did I lie about Meta? No, no, you're right about Meta too, Marcel. Meta did quite a bit of a dip too. SPDR Gold Trust. So even this one is going down a tiny bit. Like compared to everything else, it didn't go down that much, but it did start moving down a little bit. So I'll probably even wait on adding that one. You know, because just in case of everything else, we'll keep on dipping. Sell all cryptos. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, good thing out of the cryptos. I'm not too deep into the cryptos. Like even if all the cryptos goes to zero, I don't have much in it. See, like even Dogecoin, this Cyber Puppy, it's pretty full. I don't think I need to give it some more food. But this one, I have $163, so that's not much. Even if the whole thing disappears, it's not bad. Bitcoin, I got like $90 in that one right now, so it's not much. Yeah, and Bitcoin did hit 85,000, so yeah, it might keep on trending down a little bit. Ethereum dip into 7.59% or whatever, so that's down quite a bit. 6 candles down. They haven't even started with the first candle. Oh wow, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy. If Doge went up $1, how much would you make profit? Oh, like that's even hard to tell if it went up $1. Like how much profit that would be. Like I don't know. It would be a lot of money, but like I don't know. Like it's hard to do the math right now, but it would be a lot. So how should we play this bear market puts? I'm not sure myself. Like I could have done so much stuff today. Could have bought so much puts and made money, but like I was so busy doing my construction work. Because obviously, if I keep on trading, I won't be efficient in the construction thingy. So like, and I'm in a lot of trades, and a lot of it went down. Fortunately, it's just paper losses. It's not like permanent losses or anything like that. You know. Buy the shares TXMD, ESPR, RIGL, especially TXMD, so super heavy. Oh, nice. So we could buy those then. That's awesome. I'll take a screenshot so that way it's saved. But yeah, let's see. Let's see here. TXMD. Let's see what that's about. Therapeutics MD. Okay, so I guess I don't have any of that one. I'll add it to the watch list. By the way, everybody, this is not financial advice. This is just me live trading, live. That's all, you know, sharing what I do. None of what I do is financial advice. So, yeah, don't copy my trades. If you do, it's at your own risk, but I don't suggest anybody doing that. Have to say the disclaimer stuff once in a while. Let's see. So I guess I could get some of this one. Let's see. Just to kind of see what the hell is going on, I'll probably get $10 for right now. Oh, so this one doesn't allow fractional shares, so I gotta do like in full shares, which is fine. Buying shares, so I'll get, so it's not that expensive. I'll just get 5 for now. So that's close to $10. I think that'll work. Buy 100. You sure 100 is good? Okay, I could try 100. So if I bought like 5, so I need to get 95 more. Let's see. So that's gonna be $186 worth. Okay, we'll see how that turns out. There we go. I did it. I added 95 more. So 5 shares, then 95. So it equals up to 100 there, Maslow. Oh, yeah. Now since I got the 100, I could sell calls, but see how much that would cost. So November 21st, that's tomorrow. But I'll see if I do a week out, sell call. But see, this one doesn't pay much for doing that one. See? December 19th to sell a call. It doesn't sell 3 call 1219. Why did that thingy pop up? But yeah, like to sell a call, it's like Doesn't pay anything because right here it's all 000. Everybody should buy it. TXMD. Y'all will thank me later. Well, I got 100 shares of that one. Hey, what's up there, Nick Glant? Did I close my VIX? Yeah, I closed it like a few days ago. I didn't make much. I think I profited like $25, but I did close it. No, I didn't close it today. I closed it like a few days ago. Like, and I only profited like what do you call it, $25. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. The Trump coin gonna blow up soon. That's funny. I made money on all Mass's tips, but then lost some too for not selling while upload. Oh, I see, I see. Yeah, Mass is pretty good. VIX grab 55 calls. Let's see. Oops. Come on, why does it keep on? This one right here, right? So this one's only the options. And do this one by, let's see. $55 calls. So this call right here, right? 168.79. Max profit on limit, break even. 6 to 8 weeks, 50 or 55. Oh, I see. 6 to 8 weeks. I could check it out for sure. Let's see. So probably like January, probably something like this one, right? 50 to 55. Oops. Buy call 50 to 55. So like this one maybe. Oh, nice. So I could try to get one of this at least for now. Probably one of these, right? Oops. Accidentally closed it out. Okay, so I got the one call. We'll see how it does. Hopefully it'll do okay. I see, and I have it on my watch list. Don't do it. Why not? I just lost money. Bad calls. Big deal, $1. This wasn't $1. It was one contract that cost like 100 and some dollars to buy. See, if I go back and find it, let's see where's the VIX thingy. I just got. Okay, the VIX thingy. Oh, the thing is, I didn't even get it yet because the market's still closed, so I didn't even get it yet. But yeah, it's like 100 and something, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I'll go back to that one, VIX. Let's see. So trade options. Let's see which one did I get. Like, I think I got the January 26th. I think I got something like this. I got the 50. So I got the 50. So to buy one contract like this cost $121.79. So that's the one I got. But I gotta wait for market open for it to actually, you know, be able to like purchase it. So once market opens, hopefully it fills and I get it. Why should I cancel it? You think so? Like if I don't, like it'll be bad. This is actually painful to watch people. That's so. The school should not be able to access Rob. Oh man, this chat is flipping funny as hell. Oh man. Yeah, big deal. Like even if I lose the $100, it's not that big of a loss. It's just $100, right? That's funny. Oh man. Jeez. Stocks and crypto do two things up and down. Guys who bought MU, let's see. Time to buy some micron technology. Hell yeah. Let's see. I don't got any of that one. Maybe I should add it to my flipping top stocks to trade just in case, just for the heck of it. Never know for sure, right? Never know. Okay, so this one went down overnight and just recently. Okay, maybe I'll add a tiny bit of that one for now. Maybe switch this to like dollars. I don't know if it'll allow me the fractional thingy. Yeah, see, I got $1 of it. I'm gonna ask the paper if I should get some more of it. Should I buy some more of the Micron technology? Let's see what the paper says. Should I buy some more of the not Micron technology? Oh, it said yes. Oh man, my flipping ties are falling like crazy. What the hell? Ah, I'm all like tangled in my flipping ties. So I guess. So I guess like I could pick up like $3 more worth of this thing. I think it might be worth it because the thing he said yes. So I'll probably put like throw a lucky number three at it. Maybe it'll do something with it, sort of halfway. I know, right? Funny, funny stuff there. It's crazy. I live close to nice, nice. MU solid. That's awesome. Nobody don't buy MU. Oh, like so we shouldn't buy MU. Yeah, Maslow is the crystal ball reader for sure, right? Okay, those ties have hands. How much have you won so far? Oh, how much have I won so far? Let's see. I Today I didn't win. I'm actually down. See, the portfolio is down $2,500. Which is nice. Like Black Friday time, discount time. Time to get some more stocks at a discount. Good stuff, right? The thing is, this is unrealized. It's still like, but I did take some profits, not much, because obviously I work during the day. But I was able to flip in, not prediction markets. What the hell? Right here, I was able to close at least one thing at a profit. Right here, see the Tesla market before it dipped. See, I sold like I made a tiny bit of profit, over $2,000 worth. So I opened up some more buying power and made a tiny bit of profit on that one. But apart from that, most of my money is still in the stock market. I opened up a little bit by doing that one trade I took at a profit, but yeah, it's kind of dipping down some more, which is kind of nice. I could keep on adding to my stuff here. I bought 100 ETH back in 2020 when it was trading around 150. Oh, that's a very good deal right there. That's crazy. Is all that money earned from investment, or did you put a lot in front your job? Well, it depends. Like I worked and I earned that money and I put it in the stock market, and some of it's actually gains from the stock market too. So it's a combo mix of both. There's a few catalysts to the pullback. One of the big ones being an April dip. Investors took out record amount in margin loans. Oh wow, that's crazy. It's the paper your merchandise. How much? What do you mean? Is the paper your merchandise? That's funny. Why seven buys in the plug? Oh, I don't know. Like I'm on this one, I'm down on it because I got it a whole like a long time ago. But like, see, I'm down on it quite a bit. But look at the expiration date. Like I'm guessing it'll go higher, but I got it when it was pretty high. So yeah, I got a whole bunch of time on it. So I don't really care what happens. And even this one I got a while back. See, and I'm down a lot on that one. I'm down most of that one. But I did collect premiums with this one and the shares that I got on that one. So yeah, those are kind of underwater a little bit. Can you invest in Pepe the Frog coming chat? Again, go super heavy on Plag. Everyone else has hoodies and t-shirts. Make yours a bit paper. Do you get alerts if it goes up to pull out if it goes low? Yeah, I usually get alerts like if it goes up like 5% or 10% or whatever. Like I get some alerts, here and there. But yeah, I lost 100K options trading Carnival Cruise put options. Oh, that sucks. That sucks there, Jen's money. Oh, what do I make a month in the stock market? I mean, I could show you. It's not much. It kind of fluctuates. But right here, see where it says realized profit and loss? So for the 1 month, for the last month, it's $2,734. That's take home profits. Right here, see I closed the Tesla at 36. Today I wasn't able to do much because I was working, doing my construction work. At the same time, trying to balance and see whatever I could profit, take out of the market once it was dipping. So I was able to at least get something out of the market at a profit. So for the week, it's not much. Sometimes it's over 1,000. Right now, it's $90. But for the month, it's 2,734. For 3 months, it's 6,582. Year to date, it's 8,010. But that's since April because I started trading here actively on Robinhood since April. So that's the numbers from that. And then max is not that much because I didn't really do much. Like I played around a little bit over there, then it didn't do anything. Then I started back in April. But yeah, so for the 1 month, these are like the trades that equals up to this. See, there's like a whole bunch. Like all of these, if I keep on scrolling, like lots of trades. And that's like doing these trades while I'm working. Like while I'm working at work, doing my construction work, doing day trades and swing trades and scalping trades and a whole bunch of weird stuff together. So it's not much, but like something still better than nothing. It piles up quick. Yeah, for sure, for sure. I won't forget about you, Maslow. I'll send you some money. I'll help you out. Play and the TXMD so far. TXMD. Let's see. TXMD. I think I just got that one. TXMD. Oh yeah, we just recently got that one. So like, see over there, I got a couple of orders. So 100 shares. One is the 5 shares, and the other one's 95 shares. I'm definitely. Oh, so the Plag. You think the Plag is a good one? Let's see. PLAG. Oops. Oh, this one, Planet Green Holdings. So you think this one's gonna be going up quite a bit more? Wow, today it went up 32.15%. That's crazy. Overnight it fell quite a bit too. Let's see, I'll add it to the top stocks to trade. Okay, awesome. That's good. And then I'll probably buy maybe for right now, maybe $10. I think that might be better than nothing. Oh, so this one only allows shares. Oh, the taxes are pretty easy. Like I get the paperwork from Robinhood and I just email it to my accountant and they do the taxes. Super simple. Very, very simple. Like I don't have to worry about it at all. They have all the tax forms over here. They get it ready for you. I email it to my accountant and it's taken care of. Very easy. So I get probably 5 shares of that one for now. Yeah, they are pretty easy. Yep. So I'll probably buy five shares for now. If I have to add some more, but I think 5 shares is probably good enough for now. Probably kind of sort of halfway do that. Let's see. Gotta drink some flipping coffee. Pretty cool that the market's kind of dipping a tiny bit. I gotta put away some of these flipping ties here. Let's see. I gotta put away some of these ties and all the weird stuff. Just so you guys are not bored. One too many ties. Oh man. Yeah. Okay, now it's better. Now I'd be looking like a more humble gangster type deal, you know? Like, more like, now like be more in like the hood, because I'd be trading like in the hood and Robin Hood, so switch this back to the flipping that thingy. And keep on buying some random stocks here like crazy. I just had to get rid of all the extra stuff I was wearing. TXMD, nice. I just got that one. That's pretty cool. If you think this is the dip, then you aren't a chip. That's funny. Buy Elon Musk coin. I didn't know that that thing exists. What's inside the paper from Robinhood already? Calculated profits and losses or transactions only. Already, Nicky. I'm gonna repeat my free strat. Set a price alerts for VIX. When it falls below 16 by 3 month out calls, strike price 20. Okay, thank you there, Nick Lance. I'll take a screenshot of this so I don't forget. Yeah, I'll take a screenshot so I can look back at it, because I can't see my chats after the live stream's done, so that way I got a tiny bit of a heads up. Hey there, Satan. How's it going? How's it going, my man? How you doing, bro? Drinking flippin' Marvel coffee like crazy. Cheers. With my flippin' superheroes. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, for sure. If we bought Bitcoin that time in 2011, yeah, that'd be nice. Of the RLMD, yeah, for sure. Good man, how long have you been? I have been on here tonight, probably like a few, like maybe 10, 20 minutes. Actually, like right now, I'm looking at my live, 39 minutes I've been live. So yeah, 39 minutes been live. BRKB. I wonder which one's that one. Damn, always stay always stay late. That's funny. No, VO always dead. That's funny. Let's see which other one over there. Grab some shares of RLMD. Let's check out RLMD. Hell yeah, RLMD. So that's for all therapeutics. So looks like the therapeutic stock should be doing quite a bit good. Like today, after everything was dipping a lot, this one was going up a lot. So maybe because a whole bunch of people are getting heart attacks from like the stock market crash, and they have to go and to be taken care of. That's why these therapeutic stuff are going up a lot. So I think it kind of makes sense. So I might get like some of it just in case. Maybe before I get some of it, I'll add that to the flipping what do you call it, watch list, and then I'll probably buy some. Let's see, maybe get like click this into dollars for now. Let's see, maybe get $3. So it allowed me, and then right now I'm gonna flip and ask if I need to get some more of it because I wanted to get some before like it said no to me, And right now like I'll see if the paper will confirm. Should I get some more of the RLMD stock? Let's see what it says. Some more of the RLMD stock. Okay, so for now it said no, but that's for now. But at least I already got some. So I got some before it like didn't allow me to buy anymore. So like I did a safe thing. I at least I bought some before it prohibited me to buy some more. uh, I lost Unplug, lol. Oh really? How much did you lose Unplug there, Diesel? Like I have a whole bunch of stuff unplugged, but I'm not doing that great on it. See right there, or not the plug. Oops, I'm looking at wrong stuff here. Where's the plug thingy? Gotta find my plug thingy here. Right here. See, I got 7 buys contracts, but they expire very, very far out. But see, I'm down like $910 in those. But for me, it doesn't matter. It's a super long dated thing, so it's like whatever. Pull the plug, bro. I know, right? For sure. Guys, not plug, is plag. Yes, for sure, it's plag. I got some. I also got some plag. I got it queued in for the. I got it queued in for the market open. See right there. So I got some queued in for that. Plag and plug, yeah, for sure. You got to pull the plug in the stock market so it stops bleeding, or maybe plug it up. Plug the stock market so it stops bleeding. Oh, nice. So you're not down that much on plug. That's good. That's awesome. Yeah. Hell yeah. Well, comes with the market, with the territory. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Nothing's 100% predictable. It's all the fun, makes it all the much funner. If it'd be too easy to predict, it would be like way too boring. The less predictable, the better, kind of. Uh, yes, no overnight fee. It fills when open. Exactly. Diesel, right? You're right. Yeah, with these things, there's no fees. Like it's just whatever the normal fee is. It's like actually no fee. Whatever it fills, it fills. Okay, let's see. For example, if you buy, let's see. Let's go to the plag thingy for an example. Plag. Let's see what the fee is. We'll see exactly what it is. So buy, for example, I'll switch this to shares. So for example, I'll get 5 shares. That's for an example. Market price, estimated cost. So see, it doesn't say no fee, no nothing. Whatever you see over here, that's pretty much what it is. And then when you sell it, I think that's where they could take like maybe 1 or 2 cents or whatever from the sale. But like when you buy it, whatever you get into it, it's free. Oh, calls and puts. Let's see. Let's see what this one has for calls and puts. Oh, this one doesn't have the option to get calls and puts. See, this one's just buying straight shares or flipping. What do you call it? But I could go and check something that has the options. Let's see. Let's see SoFi, for example, one of my most traded ones. So for example, I'll do this one a week out roughly, buy call. Okay, so for example, I believe it's gonna go up, and I'll get something that's kind of more expensive a little bit. Buy. So over here, the contract costs 194. You know, break even price, max loss 194. So I think the difference is, so you get filled at whatever you get filled, But the thing is, when you sell it, they might take some like a little bit of difference, like a few cents or whatever it is from the sale. You know, because sometimes when you sell, they say it says like what you could, you'll take home, or what tiny little fraction they take. So what they take, it's almost nothing, I think. So it's like still worth it. You know, it's like literally almost nothing. Yeah, exactly. They make money from the spread, so they don't make much. That's why it's so nice to trade, because it's almost free, literally almost free. And the little bit, tiny little bit that they do charge you, like fees, it's like almost nothing, literally like pennies. Oh, hi there, Octavius Gainey. One of the interesting transactions I saw was a 11 million transaction for HYG puts at 75 strike, expiring 11/21. Wow, that's crazy. It takes overnight fees on trading, 212 for holding longer, like a week. FE, wow. But yeah, it's a big trade that expires like fairly quick. That's crazy. Oh, anything going on with SoFi? Well, I don't know. Not at the moment. It dipped like everything else dips. See right here. So just for today, it dipped, and that's one of my largest holdings too. So just today, it dipped 6.77%. Then overnight, it dipped another 1.65%. So it dipped quite a bit. That's the stock market. You know, short term, it could still keep on dipping. I don't know. Nobody really knows. You know, but that's one of my largest positions right here. See if I click on it. Right here, I'm down quite a bit. See over there, I'm down $1,307 on that one. And they got 224 shares. Right now, value of all this is 5,521 market value. And then on top of that, I got a couple of calls, which I'm down on too. I used to be at a profit, but I didn't take profit when it was like ahead. But yeah, I'm down on those too. But they expire like way far from now, so it should be fine. Yeah, nobody knows exactly. I know exactly. Flipping Oracle and Nvidia. Their scam is exposed. Yep. For sure, that's funny. It's very funny. But yeah, at least I was able to take a tiny bit of profit. Let's see what Lyft's doing. Wow, looks like the Lyft thing is a good buying opportunity. I might maybe get into this one because I'm not sure how long this will last. I think it'll be a very good buy. It might dip some more, but it might be worth it for me to get some of this one. Let's see. Maybe get the January. Maybe get the January 15, 2027 by call. It's not even that expensive. Let's see what the delta on this thing is. So delta 0.73 delta. That's actually not bad. So something like this would cost me like 690 bucks, which is not bad. And then like once it goes up to $30 a share within now and a few months, that'll be a very pretty profit right there. You know, knowing that like potentially it'll move up to $30 in the near future. Maybe I might do that. Maybe a market open tomorrow because I'm not sure how long this dip will last. From what I heard, this market crash is from like crypto bots selling out of positions for some reason, like a weird crypto glitch that happened and started the sell off. But I'm not sure how true that is. I heard that news. Lyft January 2027 40 call. Let's see. Lyft January 2027 40 call. Let's see. Lyft 40 call. This one doesn't have a 40 call. This one only has a 37, and it has like these right here. But it doesn't have a 40. But like oh yeah, if it doesn't have a 40, but if I get something like this and if it moves a lot, it might be worth it. I don't know, just more risky though. Oh, would I hold 230 though? No, like I wouldn't hold 230. For example, if I got this one, because I remember I recently just took profits on this one at the peak. I like literally like sold. You guys saw in my previous live streams, I had a whole bunch of this and I sold out. But let me see. If I would get this one, although it's a year out, usually I like to collect profit if it moves fast enough or decent enough. Like I collect if the profits are like at 15%, like or I mean 50%, 60%. For me, that's a good reasonable area to take some profits. Like if I have a whole bunch of contracts, for example, if I have like 10 contracts and it reaches like $25, like a share, I'll probably take half the profits. I'll probably sell five and I'll keep five because sometimes it keeps on going up. So I already took a lot of profits. I'm out with profits. If it keeps on going up, then I could trim profits on the way up, and then like once it reaches 30, then like I'd probably either sell it off or keep one. That's if I play multiple option contracts. But if I just get one, I'll just probably sell it at like if it's like 50, 60% roughly, I'll probably sell it. And then if I have to like get another one or get a different contract. But it kind of depends. If I'm playing a lot of option contracts, I'd sell some and keep some, and then see what happens. Yeah, out of the money plays are risky, but can be profitable. Yeah, for sure. I've played the out of the money, and I did make a lot of money. Like that one, I was able to predict something very, very like accurately. Just go to the settings and configure that chain to show more out of the money strikes. Okay, let's see settings. Oh, on this settings thingy, right? Oh wait, customize by. Oh, it doesn't show it, but I mean, for me, it's like whatever. It's good enough. I usually don't go that much out of the money, but like it's still fine. But yeah, eventually I could do the settings thingy. But like if I go to this settings here, it doesn't really show that new. It has the layout and stuff like that and natural price. But yeah, it's just that for the most part. But yeah, Lyft for me would be a good one because I literally like I had a whole bunch of like shares and options on it like and I sold out like I pretty much caught the peak. I sold everything out and I started to reaccumulate the shares a tiny bit. See right now I have very little. I got $69.63 worth of it because I literally sold everything I had at the peak and started to accumulate a little bit more at a time as it's going down. You know. But yeah, that one looks pretty decent, like a good buying opportunity, kind of. Yeah, a whole bunch of stuff tanked like crazy. I got a whole bunch of this one, over 100 shares. If I want to, I could like sell calls on this one, but at the same time, it'd be kind of risky because my average cost is $11.11. So if I go trade options, so for example, go to maybe do a farther one, December 12th. So I could sell a call, see, find one that's $11. So see, because it went down so much, like I could make only $10. That's within like that time frame, December 12th, but that's like almost nothing. But I think eventually it'll go back up. But yeah, it kind of is what it is for now. Crazy, crazy stuff here. Yeah, the portfolio still kind of bounces around. Let me check the QQQ and the SPY. Oh, the cat is down. Oh wow. Just go to the setting. Let's see. I want to check the QQQ and the SPY. So yeah, it's down for the day, slightly, barely up for overnight. Let's see SPY. SPY is the same thing, down for the day, up overnight. Let me see Walmart, because Walmart had earnings recently and it was pretty good, but then like regardless, the market started crashing. So yeah, you should be doing pretty good there, Diesel. Remember on the contracts that I showed you to do, like what I would do, but I wasn't able to get in. See, it rolled back up. Like right now, like Like if I had a whole bunch of contracts in this one, just in case, because if the market keeps on dipping, nobody knows. Like if I had a whole bunch, I'd like take some profits on some, and I'd probably keep at least one or two more options running. But I usually don't let it go up because sometimes short term it doesn't go up all the way to the nine, you know. So uh, whatever you feel more comfortable doing, type deal on this thing. But I wasn't able to get in. Kind of sucks for me. But like if I had a whole bunch of option contracts, I would probably sell out close to this area right now, at least some of them, and then see what the other ones do, you know. Yeah, Nvidia is kind of carrying the market right now for sure. It's helping. If Nvidia like wouldn't have done that well on its earnings, everything would have tanked a whole bunch more. Oracle credit default swap sky rocketed the past 2 days. Oh wow. Yeah, Oracle for sure debt problem. Business to business model is not new and Burry is wrong. Yeah, for sure. So like let me see, cat is down. Let's check like what cat's doing. Oh, right there, cat in a dog's world, right there. See, and its ticker is meow, like it's meowing. You know, like it's pretty cool. And it's a crypto. Maybe I should get that one just for the heck of it. You know, I feed my cyber puppy. Now I gotta find a cyber kitty to feed. Hell yeah, I'll feed that one. You know, not just the cyber puppies, cyber kitties as well. You know, they be hungry, they be lonely too, like crazy. You know, you gotta take care of them cyber critters in the hood. You know, because I'm trading on Robinhood. Gotta make sure them critters don't starve. So this is a combo. It's cat in the dog's world. So yeah, it's like a whole weird random combo deal. So I kind of like it. You know, it's kind of interesting, kind of weird. S&P 500 is a good thing to invest in for sure. What about SMCI? Let me see. So cat right here. So yeah, Caterpillar is down for the day, up a little bit overnight. In general, it's a pretty decent company for long term, like it goes up. But let's see, what about SMCI? Let's check that one out. SMCI. Super microcomputer. I don't have much in it. I put $1 in it. It went down 23%. So my $1 turned into 76 cents on that one. But for the long term, I think it should be doing okay because obviously it's all linked with the AI and chips and all the weird stuff. But for now, like everything's dipping for sure. Like this dip today is like 6 point some percent. You know, overnight it went up, but long term, like I could see it potentially, you know, doing better and starting to trend back up, but might take a while. Yeah, for sure. How long do you think it'll go? I mean, how long do I think it'll go? Like keep on going down? That I'm not sure. Cause see, like the trend, like over here, it's kind of like trending down. But yeah, it's hard to tell exactly. Like, could be anything with this one. Uh, yeah, I'm not sure how long this one will keep on trending down. It's hard to tell. It's like stock market, hard to predict exactly what it wants to do. I want to check on gold here. Keep on checking on it. Let's see if I see gold start like dipping some more. That means yeah, gold's dipping some more. So maybe the looks like there's a potential market might start to recover because if the gold's dipping, sometimes it might mean that the market is about to reverse the general market. And I don't have too much of it. I recently sold that at a profit. So maybe that's a sign. Let's see the same thing with silver. I mean, it's kind of following the main trend in general. But yeah, even gold and silver's down. Silver's down a little bit more, but it could be a sign that the market might try to recover a tiny bit. But still, who knows? I like SMCI's numbers. They're awesome financials, but they have accounting issues, and investors can swing a big downturn if those issues don't go away, which they tend not to. Yeah, it's a good point there, Nick Glantz. That's for sure. It's a decent company, good company, but they have issues too, so that they gotta kind of figure out to make their company go more smoothly. Even the Delta Airlines down. That's crazy. Delta Airlines down. Not much, but overnight is going up a little bit. Let's see. Maybe I'll check the ELF thingy. Even the ELF took a dump a little bit, went down with the market. Like I did feed it today, but it's probably still hungry. Gotta make sure Santa Claus not pissed. I probably gotta give it some more. Toss it a bone. Toss the elf a bone. Make it happy, so I could keep on making them Christmas presents for them kids. Okay, that's good. That's taken care of. I could find another one. Let's see. It's almost like BA has wings falling off their planes or something. Yeah, for sure. I heard that on the news. I wonder what how the Boeing thingy is doing. Let's see, BA right there. But yeah, I heard that on the news. Like the engine flew off and like the airplane took off like 30 feet. It was in the air, then it crashed because the motor fell off of it. Like started like caught on flames and like exploded and the plane crashed because of that. But yeah, it's crazy. I don't know if it's because of that it's down or because the general market's down. But yeah, that one's down too. So yeah, kind of interesting. Looks like it's kind of keeps on dipping. It's up yearly, year to date, barely. 1 year, it's not bad, 23%. 5 years, it's negative. That's crazy. So it's not the greatest company for sure. Doors, I mean, lol. I know, right? For sure, doors. But I don't know if you heard in the news. I heard like I don't know if it's Boeing or not, but like one of the planes recently, like its engine, like fell off and caught on fire and stuff like that, and the plane crashed because of that. Like that was like one of the new news I heard today. Don't know the details, but that happened. Let's see. Check out APLD. Okay, Applied Digital. I got that one on the watch. So that one's down too, over 7% for the day, and overnight even it's down too, to 0.33%. For the 3 months, it's a little bit up. Year to date, it's up quite a bit. 1 year, it's up quite a bit, 127%. 5 years, not too much up. But it looks like it's a pretty decent company. I mean, I have some of it. I don't have much. I got $8. I think I put $10 into it. Whatever I'm down to $10 turned into $8.18, which you can see right here. So that's that one. Hi there, Italian. But yeah, I do have that one a little bit, but like maybe eventually I'll start dollar cost averaging into it. Let me see. So on this one, looks like the 12 analyst rating. So on this one, 100% of the people say buy to buy this one. Zero say hold, zero say sell. I mean, why do they say zero say hold if you buy, then if you buy then you can't hold it, then what do you do with it? So they want people to buy it and then donate it to somebody else, because if they can't hold it, they got to do something with it. Because for hold it says zero, and for sell it says zero. So they got to buy all the shares, they got to give it away right away, they got to donate, because they can't hold it. I think that's what it probably means. XRP dead. CLS. CLS, let's see. CLS thingy. Celestica. So Celestica is down 9.67% for today. 17 past week. So it's up for the month 3.89. 3 months up 53.13. Year to date 198.63. 1 year 215. So yeah, this one's not bad. Seems like it's kind of trending upwards for the most part. Let's see, I don't have much of it. Whatever I got, I'm down on it. But like I put $1. I think I did have some. I sold at a profit. I put $1 back. And I do have it on the watch list. But almost looks like shortly might be a good time to add to it. But I probably wait before I add some more to it. But long term looks like it might be a decent play. Just a good buying opportunity, not trying to dump on you. Oh, no worries there, Weston. Actually, thanks for the advice. I like the advice over here. It's like it's awesome. I think it's pretty cool when people share their ideas and whatever. You know, it's pretty cool. Um, so XRP is dead. I got some XRP. I don't have much. Let me see. Oh wow, it dropped to the $1.987. That's crazy. I'm gonna ask my crystal ball paper if I should get some more of the XRP. Okay, let me ask it. Should I buy some more of the XRP? Let's see what it says. Should I get some more of the XRP? Okay, for now it said no. That means I can't get it. Maybe it'll let me get some tomorrow, but for now it said no. I do have a little bit of it, but for now it said flipping no on that one. It flipping said no for some reason. Hi there, Danny Dubs. NBIX and Pega. I don't think I heard about this one. It's up a little bit, 0.66 for the day, and after hours 0.01. For the 1 week, it's down 3.60. 1 month, it's down 1.96. 3 months, it's up 4.29. Year to date, up 1.39. 1 year, it's up 12.74. 5 years. So it's moving, but it's not moving fast. Looks like the general trend is towards the upside. Let me see. Dividend looks like they don't have any dividends on that one. Let's see. So the 29 analyst ratings for this one, 90% say buy, and 10% say hold, and 0% say sell. So it looks like it's something decent, but like it's not growing fast, but it is, trending upwards. So kind of a decent company. I don't have any of that one. Maybe just in case I could add it to my watch list, but I'm probably not gonna get this one right now. It's somewhat decent, better than a tanking company. It's still slightly going up. I just sold a bunch of crypto like 10 minutes ago. Oh no, I'll wait till we hit bottom. Oh wow, that's crazy. Sorry there, Diesel. Doesn't look like it's gonna just crash overnight though, like some of these we've looked at. Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah, this last one that we looked at for sure. Slow and steady. Yep, exactly. Slow and steady for sure, for sure. Buying and selling the QNCCF. I want to check that one out. QNCCF. Oops. QNCCF. Let's see what that was. QNCCF. Like that's weird. Like Robinhood doesn't have it. It has a QNCX. I don't know what that is. Probably something else. And even this one's up for the day. I don't know what the hell that is. But the one that you said, the QNCCF, it doesn't have that one. Maybe I could get this one instead. Since it doesn't have this one, I could probably get like maybe 10,000 worth of this one. Oh, it's quantum security computing. I see, I see. Both the paper and mass said it's not the bottom yet, so that's pretty much 100%. I know, right? Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, that's the good thing. Like, I do have crypto, but I don't have too much of it. Like, if you see what I got, like, even if it does go down like a lot more, it won't be a big loss on my end on the crypto because most of mines are like in stocks and shares and ETFs. But see, like, even like Doge, like, I have quite a bit of that one, $163. But even if that goes to zero, it's only $163, so it's not much, not too much. Bitcoin, I got $91 worth of it, so it's not a big loss even if I lose it all. Then everything else I don't have too much of, so yeah. Team 15 put on SMCI. Nice, nice. Oh, Monslow, what do you think about the HLF? Team 15 put on SMCI. SMCI. So, Monslow, you're pretty bullish on the super microcomputer. I'm using Robinhood app. Hey, Danny, I'm using Robinhood app. Maslow put. Also, you say a put on super microcomputer? Oh, bearish. Okay. So 15 put. Okay. Let's see. Trade options. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe get like that one, right? The January. In January and get like a 15 put. Oh, it doesn't have a 15 put. Or maybe I get a closer one. Let's see. Or farther out one. This one. Oh, there, that 15 put. Oh, that's a call. That's why it was being. Oh, it's on sell. Like, it's all like being messed up. It's all messed up. Let's see. 15 put. Okay, now this one has a 15 put. So you think like something like this is worth it to buy? Check June. Let's see. Oops. Oh man, funny stuff, right? June makes it all the much funner, right? All the weird next mistakes and weird stuff that's going on. Kind of like it. Check June. I like HLX. Had them for years. Really want them to pop. Nice, nice. The HLX and O. Okay, so the June 5th, the June and the 15th strike. So you think this one right here? So I could buy one of this one. I could change the price. Could change the price to get a better deal. I could change it to 0 point maybe 85. Maybe that'll fill. Possibly. Or I could do 0 0.87. Maybe that'll fill. Let me see. I guess I'll try that. Okay, so I got a option put queued for market open. HLX is not ready on both sides. Oh, I see. Okay, so the flipping O thingy, whatever the O is. This one, Realty Income. So $56.36. So it's down today, 0.71%. It's down for the week, 1.12%. For the month, it's down 6.79. For 3 months, it's down 4.86. Year to date, it's up 5.80. Oh, it's a dividend thing. Oh, I see. I see a dividend thing. Okay. What's the most money you have made on trading? Oh, the most money I made on trading, it's like over $17,000 in a day. That was last year when I was learning to trade. Let's see, another slow and steady, but HLX is damn frustrating as best. Oh wow, that's funny. You must have traded a whole bunch of different companies and stocks there, Satan. You got quite some experience there with different companies. But yeah, over 17,000 is the most I made in a day. But like that's when I was learning to trade. That was last year on Webull. This year I made some money, like the take homes right there. I made some, but my portfolio is currently down because of the market the crash and whatever's going on, correction or whatever the hell people call it. But like take home profits for the month right now, it's at 2,734 that I sold and took profits. But like you can see, the portfolio in general, it's down. See right here, it's down today over 2 grand, almost 2.5 grand. But this unrealized profits, I mean unrealized losses, because I didn't sell at a loss. So eventually the market's gonna pop back, and it'll be ahead. Yeah. No man, I'm noob. I've just been trickling money in for years. Oh, nice, nice. I see there. I see there, man. I got started in the end of 2022, which was very low. So I've just been lucky, basically. Oh wow, that's crazy. I mean, lucky or not, like you're doing something kind of right if you're still in the game and didn't quit, didn't like throw in the towel or whatever, you know. So you're doing pretty good. Doing pretty good there. Gotta drink some more coffee. But yeah, I got that TSLL put. So I sold out of all my Tesla, what do you call it, TSLL shares that I had. Like I saw it in the profit today. I just sold it because I saw the market was crashing. Wasn't able to profit on other stuff because like market was moving so fast. At least I was able to collect some profits on this one. Strategy value. So the only thing I got is just TSLL sell put. Eventually I'll start adding some more. See, it dipped quite a bit. Like I sold pretty much today. I sold when I was like at the highest point. Like I sold literally like right here over $2,000 worth of shares, and fell right away right after that. While I was working. That was pretty crazy, but like eventually I think I'll start to reaccumulate. Maybe I should ask the crystal ball paper if I should start accumulating the Tesla, the TSLL again. Because it's up overnight a little bit. Okay, so should I buy some more of the TSLL? Let's see what it'll say. It flipping said yes. It said yes. I sold today at a profit, like all the TSLL shares that I had at the peak. And right now it's saying to buy some more. So that's awesome. I get to add a tiny bit more of the TSLL thingy. That's hella good. It's hella nice. Hella flipping nice, like crazy. Let's see. Hi there, Mr. Byte. Also, Tesla 345 put. Oh, nice. Tesla 345 put. Okay, just in case I'll get like, because the paper said I could get a little bit of this. I sold out like everything at a profit. And I'll just get $1, like a humble dollar. That won't hurt. Humble dollar at that one right now. Hey there, El de los Tigers. Ask if Helix will go above 8 by April. Okay, will HLX go above 8 by April? Okay, here's your question. See what it says. This thing it fell on no. The paper said no on that one. Paper flipping said no like crazy. Yeah, Tesla 345 put. Let's see Tesla. Let's check out the Tesla thingy. Oops. Why isn't it showing yet? Oh, there it is. Trade options. Go to. I'm not sure which date. Maybe take like the paper knows. I know, right? For sure. Maybe I could get like a January date just in case, and then buy a put. 345 put. Like this thingy right here, right? Well, yeah, just the one put is pretty pricey. It's like $1,135. But if I do a put, like especially for something like this, it's probably better to try to do that when market's open. I'll take a picture of the chat thingy, so that way like I could look back at it. But yeah, like if that one's worth it, I could try to do that one. Let's see. Okay, sounds good, Maslow. Thanks for the help and okay, let's see. Way to make money. Is day trading good? Day trading, it's pretty decent. Like if you could predict the stock market and like pretty much open and close trades in a day, you could do pretty good. I mean, what do you call it? Most of my trades that I do, a lot of them, like some of them are day trades, some of them are swing trades. Like realized profit and loss right here. Like for example, for the month, see in a month I made right here roughly $2,734, but that's mixed with day trading, swing trading, options trading, a little bit of crypto trading, but it's like a mix of stuff, and that's like almost 3,000 in a month over here that it says that I made. All these trades it equals up to that. So yeah, if you know what you're doing, kind of, you can make pretty good money. And this is like while working, I'm doing these trades. So I made that much money while working and trading, So it's like multitasking a little bit, kind of, sort of halfway multitasking. But yeah, it's possible. It's just not easy, especially if you're doing something else. Oh, I don't. I'm a beginner. Oh, I see. I see. My Robinhood flagged me for day trading today. It said I either need to have 25K in the account or a cash account, but I thought it's a cashier account. Oh no, that's not good. Try to fix that issue. I had the same issue happen to me on the. See me, I'm on the margin account. Like I didn't know that. Like I had the same thing happen to me. On this account I had the same thing happen to me, and I had to put like more money on it to kind of like what the issue that you had. So if I were you, I'd try to resolve it. Go to like whatever the place where it says to resolve it, like try to resolve it, and then yeah, like you need to have, if it's a margin account like mine's on a margin account, you need to have over $25,000 to be able to like have unlimited trades. But then in the settings, right now I don't want to click on the settings because like it might show the account and stuff like that. You could switch to the cash account, but when you switch to the cash account, you have to close out all your positions, all your everything, like completely, or else they won't let you do that. But me right now, this is a margin account. But yeah, whatever you like Robin is doing to you, like it did that to me. Try to go to their settings or whatever, resolve the issue. Sometimes they give you a warning at first, and they let you fix it and resolve it for the first time, which they let me do. Like for me, it happened more than once. And then when it happened again, I just put more money in so I could do unlimited trades type deal. But you definitely got to be careful with them. What is this, a Roth IRA account? No, this is not the Roth IRA. I do have a Roth IRA account right there, but I barely have anything on there. Yeah, I mean, this is on Robinhood. It's a pretty good app to begin with. Like, I kind of mostly learned a lot of my trades on like Webull and on this one. But like right now, like I'm trading on this one, seems to be working just fine. Like it's pretty cheap to trade. Like the fees are almost nothing. So like yeah, if you know what you're doing, if like literally if you know what you're doing, you can make money on any brokerage on any app. Like if you know how to do the trades, if you know how to kind of predict the market, you can make money with any brokerage. Like literally, I made money on the Webull. I made some money on the Mumu. Like if you know how to trade, you know kind of how to predict the market, like how to play it right. Like you could be profitable with any brokerage. It just depends on like what your strategy is and how you play it. Yeah, some like brokerages are easier to use than others or whatever, but regardless, they kind of pretty much do the same thing. If you know kind of like how to predict the market, you'll be profitable. Yeah, Robin is not bad for a beginner for sure. Pattern day trade rule is no more than three round trip trades per 7 days, five market days. Yep, that's true there, Jack's Naturals. Yeah, because I had the same thing happen to me like on this one. I had the same issue where like I did too much trades and this is a margin account. The same issue I had to resolve it once. I had to just you know s- switch it, change it to like where it's usable again. Then another time I had to just add extra money just to have it over 25,000. So yeah, kind of annoying. I hate it when that happens, but it happened to me before, so I know it's kind of frustrating. Kind of frustrating. Prediction markets. Maybe I should do a prediction market. Maybe I should bet on this one right here. Yeah, I'll probably just do one just for the heck of it. Like I've been winning some of these like lately. Like I just did some random guesses and I kind of won a whole bunch of them. But just random guess. I don't know what the hell they're doing exactly, but it was pretty nice. I'll look at the RGR thingy. Are you all in, all profitable? Uh, no shade, but I see a lot of red. Oh, like, well, I have like today I'm down. Like my portfolio's down, a whole bunch of stocks. Like, a lot's down today. Like I was able to sell some things at a profit today, but in general, like almost everything's down a lot. They are changing the rule to lower from 25,000 down to 5,000 minimum for PUT. Oh, I see. That'll be pretty nice if they lowered from 25,000 to 5,000. Tesla 360 incoming. It's the 200-day EMA on the daily. Oh wow, that's crazy. Thanks for the heads up there, Anthony Baker. RGR use OSV, bro. Market's all red now. TASC's pretty consistent profile though. Nice. So RGR, let's check RGR. Oops, RGR. Oh, I think I already have this one. I got it a while back. See, I don't have much of it. I got like I put $1 in it and went down, but almost seems like the trend is kind of down in general for it right now. I don't know when it's gonna start to pop, but seems like it still keep on trending down. I mean, slightly, barely up overnight. Yes, they are low. Oh, nice. The PDT rule will be 2K. Oh, that'll be nice. That'll make it way easier for people. That's cool. They're low. NFE. Let's see. NFE. New Fortress Energy. Let's see what the New Fortress Energy is about. So I don't have any of that one. I'll probably add it to my watch list just in case. Yeah, it's down today. I mean, it's up today quite a bit. Up for the week a lot, 60%. For 1 month is down a little bit. For 3 months is down a little bit, quite a bit. Year to date is down. But eventually looks like it started moving up, so that's a positive sign. So let me see, what is there any analyst ratings on that one? Doesn't look like it. Let's see. So I want to read about this energy thing, about New Fortress Energy. New Fortress Energy Inc. is a holding company engaged in the management of integrated gas to power energy infrastructure. It funds, builds, and operates natural gas infrastructure and logistics to deliver energy solutions. The company was founded by Wesky Robert Edens on February 25th, 2014, and is headquartered in New York. New York, the listed name for NFE is New Fortress Energy and Class A common stock. Looks like might be pretty decent. Might have some good potential. Energy is always a good thing, But yeah, it's hard to tell because for like the longest time it was dipping. Right now, it looks like it's starting to trend up. Maybe I added it to the watch list for now. I'll see what it does. But it might be a decent one, but it's hard to tell exactly right now. I'm glad I took my money out crypto with its downfall. Oh, nice, nice there. Good choice there, Tasmanian devil. Yeah, I've got some in crypto, but I don't have much. But for me, like I'm in it kind of long term, so it doesn't really matter where it goes. I see like one of my biggest positions is the Dogecoin. Only got $162 in it, so it's not that much. And then Bitcoin, I don't have too much in it. Only $90 in that one, but it is dipping quite a bit more. It hit some stop losses today. It hurt up on the earth though, is what it is. Oh, I see. Yeah, it sucks when you like your stop losses get hit. Still sucks to be down sometimes in general, but it's a long game. Captain Obvious, TSLL. I've got that one. I added $1 to it right now, but just today I sold out of it. See right here, I sold out like all my position that I had. I just bought like I have one queued in for market open to buy one. But see today I sold it right here when it was at the top. I sold it and it started falling down. Like I could show you like out of the trades I did. I was trying to sell more at a profit, but like the market was like moving so fast and crashing. At least I was able to save that one. See right here, TSL market sell. Today when I was at work, I sold that one. Not much profit, but I was able to pull it out before it tanked. Right there, see like cost at open, so 2,703. So at a profit, I sold 2,739. So 151 shares I sold. So not a big profit, but at least some profit. But everything else kind of pretty much down quite a bit. Like I don't have stop losses. Like most of my plays is just no stop losses. They're just sitting there chilling, doing their thing. Let's see. What's my thoughts on the S&P 500 long term? I could look at it right now and like see what I think. MSTR is getting destroyed due to crypto sell-off. Oh yeah, right now for sure. It will be a great for calls when we finally get a Bitcoin bounce. Yep. It's like somewhat of a like crypto winter almost seems like, huh? Whatever hit right now. So gold looks like it's moving down a tiny bit overnight. So there could be potential for the stocks to recover if gold keeps on dipping. The market might try to start recovering. Let's see. Okay, so the S&P 500 is. I'll just do SPY because it's pretty much the same thing. S&P 500. Okay, so that one. Obviously, it fell down a lot today. Overnight, it's up. So gold is dipping a little bit right now. Gold is starting to dip overnight, and this one's going up overnight. So there's a potential that it could be reversing, but it's not like for sure. But usually gold does the opposite than what the market does, you know. So it looks like this one's kind of trying to start to bounce, and gold is starting to dip some more. It's hard to tell right now, like with all this crazy stuff that's going on. Like super long term for sure, it's a no brainer. It'll go up, but like short term, like anything could happen with it. But like if it does the opposite from the gold, gold is trending down right now overnight. Like it said, it's down, and this one overnight it's up. So maybe market will try to recover shortly. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe like we could just guess all day and night long, but it doesn't prove anything. Yeah, this is on Robinhood. So CIL is a platform. Like I don't think I've heard of the CIL. I'll probably take a screenshot just in case if I'll check the brokerage out sometime, but I'll take a screenshot of the message. Let's see, maybe I should ask the paper, will S&P 500 trend up tomorrow? Let's see what it'll say. So I asked the paper if the S&P 500 will trend up tomorrow. It said yes. So the paper said yes. That doesn't mean anything. It's just what the paper said. Sometimes it's wrong. Sometimes it's right. For the most part, it's been right most of the time. So the flipping paper said yes. Actually, just for the heck of it, on the Q in a dollar. I'm not sure if it'll let me Q in a dollar because a dollar is not much. Uh, and see, actually, maybe just for the heck of it, I'll just do $10. Into the S&P 500 and see how accurate the paper is. $10 looks like it's letting me Q it in for tomorrow. See what happens. Maybe the market will explode to the upside because of this. The prediction of the crystal ball paper. What's your go-to stock? Check out CIL. CIL is a platform or is a yeah, the paper is 95% right. Oh yeah, exactly. You're right there, Diesel. What's your go-to stock? I'm not sure. I don't really have like a number one 100% go-to stock. Like I trade a whole bunch in different ways. It's hard to say. Like I really do like have a whole bunch. CIL. Okay, Victory Shares International Volatility. The chart on this one looks kind of interesting. Let me see what it says about that. I don't think I ever heard about this one. About Victoria Shares International Volatility W. CIL tracks an index of development market equities outside the U.S. The index screens for positive earnings and weights its securities intersely by volatility. The listed name for CIL is Victory Shares International Volatility WTD ETF. Okay, so this one has a dividend. Like, I mean, if somebody wants to have a dividend, that's a pretty decent one, I guess. Good night there, Satan. Have a good one, man. Sweet dreams. Don't let the stock market bugs bite. How good do you feel about some of your trades? Like, is it possible that you are able to know with at least 80% surety that chart will move where you predict on certain trades? It kind of depends. The stock market that charts is never 100% like predictable. Like stock market, nobody knows exactly what it'll do. Like, well, you could kind of guess and predict. Sometimes you'll be wrong, sometimes you'll be right. It's just the type of strategies that you play. That's the thing that makes you money. You know, like the plan that you make and the strategies that you make. The paper is 80% sure, Taz. Oh, I know, right? For sure. Does the paper think BNB is going to do good next year? I could ask it. You know, is BNB gonna do good next year? Let's see what the paper says for that one. So for that one, the paper said yes, that BNB will do good next year. Actually, I'm gonna go check out BNB. I don't think I know what it is or I've seen it. Like, I wanna go check it out. Flipping BNB. Let me see what that is. I know, right? Hell yeah. Hell yeah for BNB. I'm not even sure what BNB is, so it's kind of an expensive stock. So it's down 5 point something percent. Oh, that's crypto. I didn't even know that's actually crypto. I didn't know that. Like literally, that's the first time I'm kind of hearing about this one. So I see, like, if it looks like it's like kind of like doing this pattern to where it might start bouncing again, like going like this, bouncing, and might try to bounce back up again. But like the paper said yes. I don't know. That's for next year. We'll see how accurate the paper will be. Maybe just for the heck of it, I'll get $1 of it, just to kind of track its movement. It seems kind of interesting. Seems very interesting. Yeah, that's the first one. That's the first time I heard of it. So I just got $1 of it. I mean, like, even if it goes to zero, $1, big deal. But like, just to kind of see what it does. Like, if I find out more about it and that it's worth it to get some more, plus the paper said that it'll do good next year. Maybe it might be something kind of decent to add some more to. I don't know. We'll see what happens. See how accurate the paper will be with that one. But definitely it's kind of pretty interesting. Never heard about that one. Let's see, maybe do the. So do you think E100 is okay to start with as a beginner. Oh, you mean like Euro 100 is okay to start with as a beginner? Uh, I think so. I don't see why not. You know, any amount is good to start with. You know, like literally, like sometimes like if you start like on a good path, like trading is a good path, good career. Definitely learn as much as you can. Like learn every day as much as you can. Watch videos, research about it. Like get the knowledge, but you could start actually trading. You know, that's how I started. I made like lots of thousands of dollars at first when I started trading with borrowed money, but then obviously I had losses where I lost quite a bit of money. Then like I had wins. Like you have both sometimes. But I kept on like learning and learning, and I still keep on learning more stuff every day. You know, like but it's definitely a good place to make some extra money. Keep on educating yourself some more. Yes, I'm pretty sure it's very confusing. When I started, it was pretty confusing too. Like actually, I started trading on Webull, and that one's a little bit more confusing. And I made like lots of money on that one. Yep, you're welcome there, Danny. Like when I started trading on the flipping Webull. Like actually, like I used to trade on that one. Let's see, Webull right here. So I think it might made me do the password. So I'll probably lock the screen for now to the password. Okay, so it's back. So I gotta switch this to the, let's see, margin. This is the margin account. Switch to the cash. Like remember, like recently I went ill in like on the TSLL, the Tesla. I sold it out. Right now I have zero positions, but like it brought my portfolio up. Like I'm starting like from scratch in Webull, from like 200 something. It brought it up to 326. So right now, like if I get a chance, I'll probably put this whole amount on the TSLL tomorrow. Maybe when I'm at work. That's probably one of my trades I might try to do, the TSLL, because it's kind of low right now, and if I could kind of see it long term going up, put this whole amount to into TSLL, and then like in a little bit once it recovers, and it's twice leverage, so it moves twice as Tesla does, so it could bounce this whole amount up quite a bit. So I might possibly do something like that. The lower the Tesla will be, the better. Like if I add this to that, and then just wait for it to go back up and sell when it's up higher. I might do something like that. Watch YouTube videos, and then you can ask ChatGPT to explain things so you don't understand. Yep. Lots of YouTube videos, lots of whatever information you could get. Let's see. Stock market. Yeah, so this is the Weeble thingy. Let's see the Moomoo thingy. My Weeble app don't look like that. Oh, that's because this is on a tablet. On a tablet it looks different. If I right here, if I show you on the phone, like right here, I have my other phone. Let me see. Right here, I could show you on my phone. Yeah, see right here, this is on my phone. Like I think yours looks like this, right? So see, this is on my phone. This is how it looks like. Is that how yours looks like? It's the same thing. Just this is a tablet, this is an iPad, and this is the iPhone, like the phone. So on the phone, it's different the way they did it. But see, it's the same account, the same everything, the same number there, the same number there. It's just yeah. So this is pretty much the same thing. It's just a tablet, but it's the same thing. See the phone, the same account. It's just a phone, and a tablet is different. Yeah. So that's the Weeble. I'll probably later when I go to buy something, I might just get like let's see TSLL probably. Because that's how much. That's like where I started. Like I started this account with $200 something. It's went up over 300. So I'll try to multiply this and grow it as much as much as possible. Let's see. I gotta search. Why doesn't it let me search? Go to this one. Come on. Okay, right now. TSLL. TSLL. So TSLL. So I literally made the money on this one. I made a lot of profit. I bought it when it was low. I sold it when it was high. I think the cash already settled. I might be able to do another trade and buy it like somewhere around this price range. I think for me that's a worth it area. Although it might dip some more, there's a likelihood that it may still. But regardless, if it's for the slightly long run, it'll go back up, into the profit zone. So I could sell it again at like when it's higher and then like wait for it to dip. If I keep on rinsing and repeating these waves, just a small account, just by playing the TSLL, I could potentially grow this small account into like a pretty decent sized account just on Weeble. So that's one of the ones I'll probably do. But on this one, instead of queuing in the trade for tomorrow, I'll probably try to do this tomorrow. Like once if the price range is around like 15 something or whatever, I'll probably try to get it the max amount of the account that I have because I'm in the cash account right now and try to put the whole $326 in the TSLL. So I'll probably try to do that tomorrow with that one. Let's see. Do you follow Amit or Jeremy on YouTube? Uh, I'm not sure who Amit is. Jeremy sounds kind of familiar on YouTube. Yes, I do options. I have lots of options contracts. Yep. And this is my Moomoo app right here. I don't have much on there right now, but I'm trying to see if I could grow a small account into like a huge account or something like that. So this one has crypto too. I never played crypto on the Moomoo thingy, but this one does have like the see, on this one, I have the Lyft INC, which I should have sold when it was at the highest, but like I'm managing so much portfolios and Robinhood that has so much stocks in it, it's hard. And this is the TSLL. I should have sold this one like I did on the Weeble and on the Robinhood, to be able to collect some money, some profits. Yes, I go live when the markets are open, but like kind of rare. Not so often because I work during the day. I do construction work during the day. That's the sucky part. Like when I have like days off or when I take days off, I usually trade live, like where everybody could see me trade. Like, but the thing is, I'm working doing like construction work, so it's hard for me to do these lives. I'm down on my Schwab. Oh, that sucks. He's up. Oh, how much am I down on my Robinhood account? He does options. I learned a lot about options here. So yeah, this one eventually I'll probably have to wait for these to get in a profit. I'll try to grow this account too. But this is the Moomoo account. It's one of the new ones. I think I started this account like sometime this year. This has a whole bunch of different stuff that like I don't know. But yeah, on the tablet this is different than on the phone, but it's pretty decent. I like this brokerage too. It's pretty decent. Yeah, Weeble for sure. It's a good stock to invest in for the long term. I kind of like it. Oh, needs my fingerprint. Okay. But yeah, because Spider, the gold thingy is going down, like there's a potential that the stock market might start trending up, because usually they do the opposite. Let's see. Don't know why people are so stuck on Weeble stocks. It hardly ever goes up. Something like the Weeble. Let me see if I got the bull here. I think I might have a tiny bit. Yeah, I have a little bit of it. Like I think I put $20 in it. That $20 turned into 16.97. This one like has some potential, but you might have to wait a long time for it to start moving up. This one's like one of the ones that like you have to have patience. It'll take a longer time for it to start moving up, you know. Like some stocks like this, kind of like Robinhood, like it wasn't that high before. Like it stayed around a low price kind of for a while, but then the more people started using it, the more services started offering, the faster it started moving up. But like Webull, it has potential, but like I said, it might take it a while for it to start moving up pretty decently. Like, but I think there's a good chance that it will. Just might take it a while for the momentum to pick up on that one. Yes, you're welcome there, Diesel. Have a good night, man. Have a good one. But yeah, that's the one. I don't have much of this one, but I do have some. And this is the one that I want to get more. Looks like it's moving up overnight. That's crazy. But if it'll go like stay at roughly about this price or go lower on the Webull app, I'll probably load up some more on it, and then I might add some more to this one because I recently sold at a profit on this one. For the long term, I'm very bullish on it. So, but thing is, short term, it still could keep on dipping some more. It could still go lower, but dollar cost averaging a little bit at a time is the like for me personally like kind of a smart way to do it. But like on my tiny account on my Webull, I'll probably just load up just on that one. That's it, and just wait for it to go up. So I'll probably try to do something like that on there. I gotta drink some coffee. Uh, Thirsty. Okay, you have to drink some water and coffee. Maybe I should try to buy some more of this one. Yes, this one. And this one they won't let me buy it because it's delisted. Okay, SoFi, let me see, still went down even some more during the night, which is fine. One of my largest positions here. So that might be a good one to load up on. On the Webull app, I might add some SoFi because that one doesn't have any SoFi, and possibly the TSLL, like the decent ones that should move up quite a bit. So I'll probably try to do those for the Webull brokerage. Why your P&L graph down like 40K? What do you mean down like 40K? This thing is not down like for the day it's up down quite a bit, but like yeah, it's down a lot, but it's not down 40K. Like it's down a lot because the market's tanked. See, like it's pretty down, but like it's just short term. Once the markets recover, will be just fine. Because most of my money is tied up in the market. I only got like right now $3,500 buying power. Yeah, just today. Because if you look at my take home profits, just a little bit ago it was like all green in the profit zone. But if you look at the profit and loss, you just for the month of like taking profits, take home profits, right here it's 2,734. For the 1 week, it's not much. It's mainly what I sold a little bit, but because like I work during the day doing construction, but for the month it's 2,734. 3 months, 6,582. But yeah, like these are the trades I did to make them. But these are the ones that I sold and took profits. But the portfolio that's down is because my money's still in the stock market, you know. So I didn't sell it at a loss. Like once the market recovers, it should be back in the green. It's just kind of short term at this point right now. Because like you see, like all the positions, these are options. A lot of them are red. The stocks, most of them are red. So it's not like realized, you know. No leverage or UDCA never realized a loss if investing. DCA. Yeah, like it depends. Like a lot of my trades are short term, but some of them I do DCA, dollar cost average, like you say. I do that. Like I have a whole bunch of a mix of different strategies, different type of trades I do. So it's just a whole bunch of different stuff. Like here, these are option trades, you know, option contracts. These are a couple of contracts that are queued for market open. Let's see, these are ETFs and stocks right here. A whole big chart of them. And then these are some cryptos. I don't have too much cryptos, but you can see almost everything's down, even crypto, like everything's. And these are some of the prediction markets. So I do some of these. Like I just pick random ones, and most of the time I win. I get an email or alert from Robin saying, "You won this, you know, prediction thingy or this or that, whatever." Yeah, most of this is all mixed. Small cap, some large cap. You know, like uh, for example, like it's hard to find, but like I have the meta thingy. I started $2 cost average, and that one's going down some more. See, right now it's at 587. Right now I got $1,695. So not much, but I do have some in Meta. Tesla, I have some in Tesla. I sold out of that TSLL that I had. Took a tiny bit of profit today, but this is Tesla. I have some of it, not much, $536. So down not too much, but yeah. Well, I got a whole bunch. Like one of my largest positions here is at the moment. Right, one of my largest positions, I think it's SoFi right here. See, I got 224 shares, $5,523 worth. Down currently on that because like, yeah, obviously went down. Oops. And then on top of that, I got a couple of leaps call contracts. These are the options. When I opened it, I was in the profit zone, but I didn't really think the market was gonna crash that fast, that sudden. So I'm down on it right now. But my expiration is far out, so it should be fine. Eventually, it's gonna, I think, bounce back up and be in the profit zone on that. So I got a whole bunch of different stuff on here. It grows and compounds, man. Don't sweat the amount that processes your key. Thanks there, Bankroll. Thank you. Yeah, short-term losses for me, it's like whatever, you know, like long-term, like I'm bullish on what I'm doing on the markets and the companies that, you know, I'm trading, so I think it should be okay. It should do just fine for sure. You know, a whole bunch of different stuff on here. Let's see, maybe I'll check the, let's see. So Bitcoin over there, it's 85,000. XRP. Let's see, let's check QQQ. Oops. So QQQ is trying to trend upward right now overnight a tiny bit. Let's see, SPY. So SPY is also trying to head upward. So like hopefully maybe there's like a upward momentum starting possibly potentially. I publicly took a short from 125,000 to a TP at 100K break. Oh wow, that's crazy. Oh man. So you're like down like 25K. That's crazy. So yeah, S&P 500, that's obviously down for the day, but overnight looks like it's trying to trend up a little bit. Let's see. Looks kind of interesting. Yeah, still like indecisive. See what happens because it's kind of weird because gold, GLD, usually the gold does the opposite from what the market does, and like the gold started to move down. Like the S&P and the QQQ are moving up, and gold is moving down. So it looks like there might be some kind of reversal going on to hopefully the market starts moving up, but we'll see what happens. No, I leveraged short big. I made PPLS salary in all people's salary in a month. I opened, I think, 5th October. No loss, big profit. Oh, I see, I see. That's crazy. Congrats, man. That's awesome. Their bankroll. That's hella sick. That's awesome. So short from 125K to that's awesome. I like it when people win in the stock market. Oh no, I'm flipping out of coffee. I just finished all my coffee from my flipping Marvel cup. Now it's gonna put me to sleep. Best trade of 2025. Nice, nice for you. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's hella nice. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. The more people win, the better. I love it. For 40K Bitcoin coming. I could potentially see that coming. That'd be crazy if it does, but like went down to 85,000. I don't have much in it, so like for me it doesn't matter. Even if it does, this money will just not a big amount. $90 is not much. I keep hearing 40K, so I make it a buy at 50K and DCA the F out of it. Yeah, for sure. But I think you're right, Bankroll. If that's a big possibility, yeah, if it hits 50K, the likely bottom would be 40K. Yeah, hell yeah, start dollar cost averaging into the 40. Because who knows, sometimes 50K, if it does get close to that amount, it could be a chance that 50K is the bottom instead of the 40. At least you grab something at that amount. So for sure. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Interesting times. Hella interesting times. But yeah, for sure we'll see what happens. Oh man, getting kind of sleepy. It's probably because I ran out of coffee. Uh, start buying at the low psychological price levels. Oh yeah, for sure. Definitely for sure. If you use a better strategy at it, you'll do better. Definitely for sure. Let's see. Don't look at the option. So I have the hymns. That's a cash secured put I got on the hymns. Invest in Argo blockchain. First cycle without alt as SZN. I could check it out here in a little bit. So there's a cash secured put. Hymns 38. 35.80 break even. So right now it's less than that. Still, it's not too big of a difference, so it's fine. Let's see, Argo blockchain. Let's check Argo, see what that is. Oh, it's like a penny stock. It's like so cheap. Usually these are super risky. Unless you like have some good information about it. Like I don't know, it's kind of these things are kind of super risky. About Argo Blockchain. See, Argo Blockchain PLC operates as a blockchain technology company focused on large-scale mining of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It mines using purpose-built computers to solve cryptographic algorithms in the blockchain in exchange for rewards and fees denominated in the native token of that blockchain network. The company was founded in 2017 and is headquartered in London, the United Kingdom. The listed name for our ARBK is Argo Blockchain PLC, American Depository Shares. So you're kind of bullish on that thing. I mean, there's a chance it might, like, if you look at the pattern, it might spike here at some point. Potential. Buy puts on downtrending stock. Believe me. Oh, for sure on downtrending. Buy puts on this one. Oh, like that's weird. It even allows you to get. The stock is so cheap, and they even allow you to get puts on that. That's funny. Buy put. Yeah, if you buy puts, probably make some money on it. Yeah, I don't like these are too risky. Like the everything's like I probably wouldn't do that. Have I heard of Sui? I think I have. Let's see. I think I might have even had some at one point. Oh, the crypto thingy. Yeah, I think I had some of it at one point and probably sold it. But like looks like the trend on it looks towards the downside for the most part. If you click on all the yeah, it went up a little bit past 5 years, but then when you look at everything else, it's pretty much down, down, and down. Okay, have a good night there, Bankroll. Thanks for chilling here with us. When Bitcoin went down, so did Argo. When Bitcoin slightly recovered back over 90K, Argo went up 14%. Oh wow, that's crazy. Can I get a small loan of 50K to get started? I'm from India. You could try to get a personal loan. Maybe I'm pretty sure India passes out loans over there. You could try to get one there. And has buy ratings. And has buy ratings. Nice, nice. Funny stuff, man. Pretty funny stuff. Yeah, I probably wouldn't buy this one because just in general, it looks like it's towards a downtrend. I'm not sure. Like, let me see. How high was it at the high point? If it's gonna go back up towards that point, I'm not sure. Like buy and wait forever for it to hit a higher mark. It's like higher potential to make slightly more money on the good companies that will most likely for sure move up, I think. You trade? I have someone who does it for me. Yes, yes, I trade, but I just trade for myself, and that's all. That's a pump and dump, 100%. Oh, for sure. This one, I think so. The Sui. So, which trades are you feeling strongest about here coming up? Are you investing in app stock? What do you mean by are you investing in app stock? So, like, is it actually like an app stock, like the ticker named app or app lovin'? I don't think I have any of that one. See, I don't have any of this. So the analyst rating on this 79% say buy, 13% say hold, and 3% say sell. I don't have it personally. And I don't really know too much about this company. But it looks like the general trend on it is up. It recently went down there for a little bit, but it looks like the general trend in this company is kind of up. Year to date is up quite a bit. Year is up. Just recently started going down, but the general trend on this thing is up. Looks like it doesn't pay a dividend. But yeah, I don't know much about this company. I'll probably just in case add it to my watch list. I heard of it, but I don't know much about it. Uplavin Corp engages in the development and operation of a mobile marketing platform. It offers App Discovery Max, Adjust, and Spark Labs. Its software-based platforms caters to mobile application developers to improve the marketing and monetization of applications. The company was founded by Andrew Carm, John Krishnak, and Adam Forey in 2011 and is headquartered in Palo Alto, California. The listed name for app is AppLovin Corporation, Class A common stock. So it looks like a pretty decent company with what it does in the app industry or whatever. Looks pretty decent. Like I added to my watch list, but I think eventually should start doing better, recovering. Oh, the weekly chart. Let me see. App. So the weekly, so past week was down 11.88%. And like for the 1 day and then 15 minutes, it's below the Bollinger Band, so might start trending up higher. Let's see if I click on the 1 month, 1 hour. So 1 month, 1 hour, it's below the Bollinger Band. Looks like the momentum is starting to pick up. I think eventually, I think it should start moving back up, but potentially. But who knows right now with this weird market. Just wait that out, but it looks like it's downtrending. Yeah, it does looks like it's kind of downtrending. Everything is. Yep, for sure. Solana, I think I have a little bit of the Solana thingy. Yeah, I don't have much. I got like $3.65 of that one. But yeah, I don't have much of this one. I'm not sure where this thing's gonna head. But yeah, it's also trending down with mostly everything else. But for the 5 years, it's up a lot. For the 1 year, it's down. 3 months is down. 1 month is down. 1 week it's down. 1 day it's down. Even live, it's down. Everything is downtrending right now. The crazy thing is, I don't even watch my stocks through the day. It's too stressful, so I just started watching the S&P. Oh wow. Yeah, too stressful to watch like your portfolio go down a little bit sometimes, huh? For sure. I mean, look at my portfolio. Look, it's down $2,500 in a day. Crazy. Yep, crazy stuff. I love to buy puts on downtrending markets while buying stock. Yeah, that's a good thing to balance it out. Like, for sure, it's a downtrend. Get some puts, collect some money. Dollar cost average into some stocks. Definitely a smart play right there. For sure, for sure. Maybe I should get some more of this stock, Spectrum Pharmaceuticals. I have one share of it, and it's plus, minus, negative, positive, zero. And then it won't let me trade it. Maybe I should ask the paper, see if I should buy some more of it. See what my crystal ball paper will say. Should I try to buy some more of the Spectrum Pharmaceuticals? Let's see what it'll say. What the hell? It said yes. How can I buy it if it's unbuyable? It told me to buy this. How in the flippin' hell will I buy this if it's unbuyable? Like, no matter how much I try, I could flip and punch this thingy right in the button and it's still not gonna purchase it. It's like, it won't let me. The paper's trying to trick me. It told me to buy this and it won't let me. So, am I supposed to do this like all day, all night long, and then eventually it'll happen? Accelerant holding is a good stock. Oh, nice, nice. I gotta plug in my phone. It's about to die. I'm recording live streaming on my iPhone. It's almost fully dead. It's like at 16%. So on the red bar. I gotta unplug my other phone. I got one too many phones. I got the iPad. I got the iPhone. I got my other iPhone. I got my Mac. Just some tiny little devices. Oh shit. I just unplugged my other phone to plug this one in and flipping A. Okay, now it's plugged in. Hell yeah. Crazy, crazy stuff, man. The crystal ball sucks. I know, right? The funny thing is, most of the time it's accurate. This time, I guess it wasn't, or it's just trying to trick me. It's doing something weird. Thank you. I bought some stock and noticed some are saying limit buy, not market buy. What does that mean, and how did that happen? Where do you acquire the money to put the stock market? Where do you acquire the money to put in the stock market? Oh, where did I acquire the money to put in the stock market? Well, I work, and from the money that I make from work, I put it in the stock market, and some of the money is that I make from the stock market. So from work and from the stock market. But anyways, let's see, Nina. So you're saying I bought some stock, and some are saying limit buy, not market buy. Okay, so for example, I'll show you. Right now, it's market's closed. So if you go to buy, for example, if you're talking about like not the options, but just the stock itself, see over here on the upper right corner, over there you could change it to where you see there's a limit order. You could do like stop order, stop limit order. But here you could put it in dollars. That's where you change it. Buy in dollars. So see right now it's in dollars. So like once you go back to a trade, put it on buy, then it says in dollars. Then you can put whatever dollar amount and it'll buy it in a dollar. Then if you want to trade it, sometimes, especially like in the evening or at night, some companies they don't let you trade in fractional shares. So they automatically switch it for you. So they put it in buy in shares. So in shares is this one, and then limit order is where you want to set the limit, to where you want to adjust the price at what you want to get it at. Limit order. So you put whatever number of shares, then you put the limit that you want to get into the stock for. So everything's all adjustable over there in that one spot in the upper right corner. So I don't know exactly what you did, or like what limit order you did. It depends. Like if it's nothing like big or major, shouldn't be that bad. But I don't know exactly what you did. Oh, you never touched the settings? Yeah, I do. Yes, they're in my doorway. I do stocks for passive income, just like a side hustle, a little bit extra money on the side. The best way to buy stocks and trade stocks is to have a job while trading. You're doing good, brother. Oh, thanks there, Salty Crider. Yes, it could be because it's after hours, Nina. Cause see right now, like some companies, some stocks, if you try to buy it, if it's like put, if it's like right here, if it's at shares, you could switch it to dollars, and then you could buy it in dollars. Over here, trade buy at the upper right corner, it gives you the options to change it to whatever else you want to change it to. And then if you have an order, like a pending order, you could always cancel it out. Like for example, like let me see, like I can make an order right here for SoFi. It'll be queued, for example, in dollars. It's gonna be in dollars. So I'll make an order right now. For example, as I'm showing you, buy a tiny bit right now. That's in dollars. Okay, so it's queued in for market open. But then, like, if I don't want to, like, if you're scared or you think it's not a good idea, because it didn't go through, it didn't go into the market. You could go back right here. It says cancel order. You could go back and cancel it if you're unsure of your trade. So right now it canceled it. See, it says your order to buy whatever individual was canceled. So you could cancel your order. So if you're not sure about your order, you could cancel it. So if you click on buy, then like I showed you, then you could, if it's at a limit order, you wanted to get it for a cheaper price or whatever. So this one you have to do in shares, and then whatever you could do a price that you want to get it for. But also you could cancel that order. For example, I could do a whatever price, 24.53, 24.56. So I'll do 24.52 just to kind of have it slightly lower. And then I could click on buy. So it'll be queued in for market open, one share. So that's a limit order. So limit order has been placed. So like if that's the one that you have, for an example, you could go back there. See right there, that's a limit order. But then if you're unsure about it, you want to change it, you could always go back to it, and then you could cancel the order. See, it says replace the limit order. You could change it to a different price that you want to get in, or you could fully cancel it right here. Cancel the order. I canceled it. So right now it won't go through for the market open. But everything, like especially buying and selling the stocks, you could control what you want to do in this upper right corner. So if you want to buy in dollars, just click in dollars right there, and then you could buy it in dollars. They say filled. Okay, so if it filled, that means it's filled. It's in the market. But then if you want to get out of it, you gotta click on sell and the amount that you want to sell. Check futures on Google. I'm from Nevada, so early trading starts at 4 p.m. 4 a.m. Oh wow. Futures will help you see what tomorrow morning is going to do. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's awesome. Oh, I actually didn't know that. So that's what futures means. So go futures on Google. Let's see. Google futures. Google futures, or let's see. Oh, you mean like to go on Google and look at futures, or I'm not sure exactly what you mean. Let's see, or you just click on Google. Yeah, there's no Google features here. It's just Google. But if I click features here, I could track the features here too. So these are different type of features: metals features, currency features, energy features, crypto features, stock index features, features. Let's see, metals features, micro gold. Oh, nice. That'll be pretty interesting to trade the micro gold. Trade. Okay, so I could go short. I could sell it. But yeah, I might try to do that later. It might be kind of interesting. Not right now, but yeah. Look at what features are on Google. Oh, what features are on Google. Well, on this tablet on this device, I try not to do the Google stuff. I just try to stick to the app. But uh, yeah. Check Nasdaq. Nasdaq on here. Oops. Let's see. Nasdaq. So stock index futures, Nasdaq. Let's see. Why is it not showing? Let's see. Stock index futures. So micro Nasdaq. I think that one might be the one kind of. Live candlestick. It's kind of weird that like it doesn't give me like the detail chart on this. Let's see, ladder. Explore an example ladder. Okay, let's see. Buy, sell. Okay, so I could do this one, quantity. I could do plus, minus. Okay, so features look pretty interesting. But obviously on this one it's kind of hard like to trade futures on Robinhood. The charts, see, it only has like the 1 day, 1 week. It doesn't have like the detailed chart. Like on the stocks, it gives you more details. On this one, it's hard to tell exactly how to read what it's gonna do, like, because it doesn't have the detail thing on it. I wonder what this thing. Oh, weird. Kind of interesting. But yeah, it's kind of weird. If you woke up to find that your portfolio was only worth $1,000, what would your approach to investing be? Would you buy calls or puts or directly invest into penny stocks? What would you do? Oh, if that happened to me, the portfolio went down to $1,000, I'd be like, okay, I guess I gotta start all over almost again and keep on grinding at the stock market, you know. Keep on grinding like crazy. This crap gonna be negative 5% tomorrow. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, out of coffee, that sucks. Good stuff. But yeah, micro Nasdaq. But yeah, I could trade the futures, but not right now. Okay, just just jerk your smirk, bro. Are you buying Trump coin? I don't think this one has Trump coin on here. that I know of, or maybe it does. Trump Media, American Bitcoin Corp. Yeah, I don't think Robinhood has the Trump coin. Oh, just a DJT thingy. So it went up today a little bit, the Trump thingy, but down overnight. Let's see where this thingy was. So at one point it's hit like 10, $11. Oh, Robinhood does have Trump. Okay, I see. Maybe the ticker symbol was wrong. So just maybe put the Trump thingy. Official Trump. Oh, there it is. Because I put in Trump coin. That's why I didn't have it. But I don't have any of that one. But like for me, this is like a meme coin, a pump and dump type deal. A lot of people already made a lot of money and ran off with it. Like for me, I wouldn't like risk putting any money in this one. 90% of people will lose 90% of their money in 90 days. How much did you have in your portfolio when you started, and how long ago did you start? Well, like you're asking me that I could show you what it's at. Right now it's obviously down the portfolio in general, but like you can see where it was up like right now because the market tanked. See if I click on all time, then just a little bit ago before the market tanked it was like pretty high up there. But because of the market crash, it went down, so that's where it's at right now. But my money's still in the market, so that's not a loss. It's not. It's just a paper loss right now. But like I am making money by doing the sales on the selling at a profit. See, for the 1 month, I made $2,734 right here. See all these trades, it all equals up to that. But the portfolio in general is down right now. That's because the market in general is down. But yeah, all of this equals up to the whatever gains that I made. So obviously for the 1 week, it's not much. 1 month, 2,700 something. 3 months, 6,582. Year to date is 8,000. So like I started on Robinhood here since April 4th. So it's like yeah, April 4th to whatever this point. That's like what I made like the sales like take home profits $8,010. So max is 6,817, but because I had it for years and I didn't do much before, there's like a lot of time I didn't do anything, and literally I started like over there it says May 21st, but it's literally like more from April. I started to do some more active trading from here. So it's not much, but it's something. But the portfolio down is short term, and I'm not selling at a loss, waiting for that to recover, and it'll be in the profit zone here shortly. According to futures, the markets will be up tomorrow. Oh, nice, nice. That's awesome. How much are you actually investing? Said I. Oh, hi there, Benjamin. Jonathan. Any thoughts on silver? Well, right now, silver looks like it's going down. Maybe the markets will recover tomorrow because the gold and silver is going down a little bit. But yeah. This broker is Robinhood. The one I'm using right now, it's see that one right there, Robinhood. Now I gotta re-log in with my fingerprint. There we go. But yeah, it even has the prediction market. It's so funny because I'll just guess randomly. Like right now, I'm in that one over there, so it has a one. I randomly do these trades, and usually I win. It's kind of weird. Like then I get an email from Robinhood. They're like, "Oh, you were right on this trade. You won. Like this much." I usually do very small trades, but it's kind of interesting. Oh, silver looks like a double top. Is there a chat? What do you mean by is there a chat? I'm sell silver if anyone wants to buy some. I don't know. It could be a bull flag. Yeah, right now could mean like multiple things. Let me see. The silver chart looks like a double top. I tossed a couple bucks in after hours. It's pending. It's pending till TMR. I guess it will get in at price that I clicked buy. So will I get in at the price that I clicked buy at, or will it just put me in at opening price? I think it, like, I'm not sure how it works. I think it might put you in at the, like, whatever the opening price will be. I think it might get you in at that. Because usually, like, I don't pay attention much, like when I do some stocks. Like, for example, let me see here. Because usually I queue in orders, and usually when I like when the market opens, I see what it does. Usually all the stuff that I have queued in, it starts coming in. Like, for example, if I trade, I buy one in dollars. Let's see what it says. This one says buy SoFi in dollar amount starting at $1. But it doesn't say like what the deal is. So I think like whatever the market open price is, I think that's probably what you're gonna get it at. Because usually when I do that, like when I queue in orders, when once market opens, I see a whole bunch of these orders coming in. It says order filled, a whole bunch of orders coming in like crazy. So I think that's probably most likely what it's gonna do, unless you want to change it and go to like even buying shares. I think is gonna be the same thing. But if you the only thing that makes it different if you do the limit order to trade, where you adjust your limit, so you have to put the shares and your limit that you want to get in at a different price. But if you put in a like amount that you want to get, I think it'll just buy it for you whatever the opening price is. Oh, that's weird. You always had a bad experience investing in the after hours. Yeah, it depends on how you trade with it. Like so far, like I've done okay with it. Like I mean, it's kind of riskier, but if you don't do crazy amounts and you have a plan behind it, shouldn't be that bad. It's everything always kind of depends. Like you could do one of the worst strategies, one of the worst type of plays, but if you have a good plan around it and you execute the plan, works out, like you could do pretty good. It's just everything depends on how you plan and execute. But yeah, I think in general it is might be a little bit more risky, but if you got a good plan behind it and you stick with it, it should be fine. Never hold stocks into after hours. Yeah, yes, for sure it's riskier. When I buy VOO after hours, I get the price I click buy at. This time it was Nvidia and it says pending. Curious how it works. Oh, if it says pending, then I think it'll go through once the market's open. Like I assume it'll get in at the market open price, but who knows? Maybe it does get in at the price that it's at. Like I don't know. It kind of depends. On here, I think it just does like on Robinhood. I think it just does like whatever the market open. It just buys the shares. The amounts that you want. That's why sometimes if I want to get into a stock, I don't care like what price it's at. I just put an amount I want to get. Whatever amount it's gonna be in the morning, I'll get it regardless. I tried to get in while it dropped a little. Oh no, but bad in the day. I This is Robinhood. Yes, this is Robinhood. Yep. This is flipping Robinhood. Let me see. So right now, like I have a queued order for $1. That's just a example trade, but I don't care. Like SoFi's pretty low. Like I don't care. Like I could add some more right now. I think it should be fine. I'll probably click this back to the 1 day thingy. Let's see, maybe go back to SoFi. Maybe because it's so low, I might add a tiny bit more, not much more, but I'm down quite a bit in this one. It's one of my largest positions. Maybe, let's see, not shares, but flipping dollars. I'll probably add like maybe $10 just for the heck of it. Might be worth it. Yep. Awesome. Let me see at the chart here. If you aren't investing most of your money in Nvidia right now, what are you actually doing? If I'm not investing most of my money in Nvidia, I'm investing it into other stocks. I think SoFi should eventually here start recovering because it had a pretty big dip. Like, look at that. Like, let me see. Or Bitcoin, yes, I agree. I shouldn't say this, but I was trading on Robinhood when box spreads used to be profitable on Robinhood until GUH. How did it ban the wall? Bitcoin is hilarious. So, what do you mean by like when box spreads used to be profitable on Robinhood until GUH? How did it ban? LOL. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Maybe I didn't trade around on Robinhood long enough to know like what that is, like the box spreads. $10. Are you poor? Uh, Depends. Like I don't have too much buying power, and a little bit won't hurt right now. Well, dollar cost averaging, right? Crypto is dying for a few more days. Then nice move coming soon. XRP will be going good. Nice. That's awesome. What did you use before Robinhood? Oh, before Robinhood. What app can I use to buy stocks? Oh, there's a whole bunch of apps. Well, before Robinhood, actually, I had Robinhood for the longest time, but like I used Webull. Like Webull's the one that kind of learned trading. Like last year, I traded on like Webull, and I made pretty good money. I started with like $25,000 personal loan, and on top of that, I used margin, but I ended up ahead, paid off the personal loan, and right now, like I switched to Robinhood, so I mostly do the trading on Robinhood right now. So my buying power is not much. It's like 3,513 because I sold some things I had today at a profit, so opened up some more buying power. But obviously, you can see mostly everything's red. Most of companies, crypto, mostly everything's red. From what I heard, it's like a weird crypto glitch that made all the like trading bots like sell off everything. It's kind of like a weird, cyber glitch, crypto glitch that happened. Freaked everything off. Heading north again. What do you mean by heading north again? Like if the market's gonna heading up? That I don't know. When do you think the market will recover and start? Uh, yes, pre-sale scam. I think something like that. Robinhood used to be glitches. Oh well. Well, sometimes it's glitchy too. Like for the most part, it's okay. Sometimes it does do the glitchy thing. So what app can I use to buy stocks? I don't know. There's lots of apps. Like the ones I use mostly is the Robinhood, the Webull, and the Moomoo. They're all pretty good stocks to me personally. I like them. Glitch? What kind of glitch? So the bots just randomly sold, or was it due to something? Yeah. There's like a what do you call? I heard on the news something like crypto, like it confused the bots on something that like it triggered the sell off on the crypto. It's kind of like almost like a what do you call those can't remember the name, uh the call thingy where the margin call like on crypto. So it's almost like a margin call on crypto that happened to a lot of big crypto holders. and that kind of made a chain reaction to where like it just kept on selling off and freaked out the rest of the market, and the market started selling off. That's what I heard that happened. So hopefully, if that's the case, everything should start recovering shortly because obviously Nvidia did good. The earnings were good. Walmart did good. Walmart's earnings are good. So like everything's for the most part doing okay. Not drastically bad, not drastically super good. Everything's okay for the most part. So, do you think the S&P will reach 7,000 before the end of this year? I think that's what I should have asked. There's a potential. Nobody knows 100%. Nobody knows 100%, but there's like I think there's like a somewhat of a decent chance that it may reach that. Interesting. Robinhood used to have glitches, but they covered their asses fast after GameStop. Yeah, they tried to fix their issues that they had. I think it's a little bit better after that. Do you actually think trading bot crashed it out? It was the exchanges doing their best to liquidate you all. I think it's a mix of both. From what I heard, like that it was the crypto issue, crypto bots, and I think it freaked everybody else out too at the same time, where everybody else started selling off, thinking something major happened or something weird shit. Nvidia book value is only $4. So if anything ever happened, your $200 stock is only going to be worth four if they liquidate. Oh wow, that's crazy. I guess if that happens, that happens, right? It would suck for a lot of people. Kind of crazy. Oh man. Let me see what. So Bitcoin's still bouncing around the 85,000 area, 85,460, 470. You would know. How much capital is the good start trading? As I'm new here, can you suggest something to me? It depends. You could start with whatever your brokerage will allow you to start with, but like if I say I can't really suggest anything because I'm not a financial advisor. Think about Nvidia. I tried to tell them. I just put to invest in Nvidia. I just sub to you. Have a great rest of your night. Oh, thank you there, Celtic writer. Thanks for the sub. But yeah, a lot of crazy stuff happened in the market today. From what I heard, it's the crypto that freaked everybody else out and triggered the selling bots on not just the crypto, but even the flipping stocks. I want to see if gold is still keeping on going down. Let me see. GLD. So yeah, from what it looks like, there's a big potential, big possibility that market might start to recover because, like, see, gold keeps on trending down some more. Then when you click on like SPY or QQQ, and those are heading up at the same time. See, this one's up 0.29%. So gold is trending down, which like if market would keep on crashing, you'd think that gold would go up because that's what people hedge with. But in this case, gold is down over 1% overnight, and this one's up 0.29% overnight. So obviously, it looks like there's some kind of reversal, maybe potentially starting to happen. Now, if I click on the QQQ, oops, double QQQ. Yeah, even the QQQ, like, yeah, everything was down during the day, but overnight, gold is going down, silver is going down, the QQQ and SPY, they're both going up overnight. So it's like it's a good sign that like the market could start to try to recover tomorrow morning. Not a sure thing, not a guarantee, not a financial advisor, but hopefully that'll happen. That'll be nice. That kind of what it looks like, but who knows at the same time. Makes up more than 20% of the S&P and is under $200. You just can't go wrong with Nvidia, in my opinion. They are instantly undervalued. How long have you been trading? Oh, how long have I been trading? I started trading last year. Last year since like February, so not too long. And I traded with borrowed money. Like I borrowed money. Like I borrowed a $25,000 loan, and I traded on Webull. On top of that, I used their margin. So sometimes I played with like $100,000 borrowed money. I ended up ahead, like playing, learning with borrowed money, and I then like paid off the personal loan, and I switched to the Robinhood. So right now I'm trading on Robinhood, but at least not with borrowed money anymore. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. Not too bad, I guess. But yeah, definitely the risk I took is crazy. I wouldn't suggest anybody to do that because imagine if I would have lost. I would have had to pay back the $25,000 loan plus the margin that would owe the brokerage. It would be a disaster if that happened. A good thing that didn't happen though. Do you have any BA? Let me see. I don't think I do. BA, which is a Boeing. Yeah, I don't have this one at the moment. I'll probably add it to my watch list. I think at one point I had it a long time ago, but I don't have it at the moment. So I did add it to my watch list, and it's up overnight too. But yeah, we'll see what the market does. Hopefully, it starts to recover. This is down a tiny bit. See what happens. Take home profits are good, so I got a couple of pending options there that I have. Let's see. So gold and silver are going down. Let me see. Gold, I checked that one. The S&P and QQQ are heading up. Gold and silver are going down. So see, even silver is down overnight, 2.37%. So that could mean that like the market is starting to recover back again. That's a good sign, good potential. Because the general market usually does the opposite from gold and silver for the most part. Like BA have helped make like $18,000. Oh, that's awesome. There, Lincoln Miller. That's hella cool. So do you just buy shares on the BA or do you do options? I put in $1,000 and made 6,000 a few days and Beyond Meat stock a month or so back in time. That's awesome there in my doorway. Yeah, it's a risky play, but you got lucky. I mean, you did good on that one. Congrats. That's awesome. Like I didn't do that play, the BYND. Like I just missed the uptrend, and then I didn't want to do the calls or shorting it towards the downside. I knew the upside of it won't last. I just didn't want to play that one, but that's awesome that you did pretty good. Very good with that one. It's hella nice. Hell yeah. If you could catch plays like that, like that's awesome. Good stuff. But yeah, silver and gold going down overnight. S&P and QQQ going up. So It's somewhat of a hope, a little bit of a sign that like hopefully the market starts to recover. We'll kind of see what happens actually. Yeah, for sure. Exactly. Nobody's seen it happen or nobody thought of it like much, but yeah, it's kind of crazy the whole thing. Most didn't. Yep, for sure. Let's see what this thing has here. What does this thing have on the list? BJ's earnings coming up. Oh no. It's a BJ's for $90.04. Not too bad, right? I think I bought it before a long time ago, but probably not worth it right now. Anyways, I don't think they have that one here in Washington. Let's see. So much stocks in the red, it's like crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, let's see. Let me see what Apple's doing. Sultan's down. Apple. Oh, that's not the right one. Wait, doesn't have Apple. What the hell? Apple. So Apple was down a little bit today. Overnight, it's up. Oh no, the cat dropped a whole, like quite a bit. Like I think the cat's hungry. My cyber kitty is flipping hungry. See, I started in 2020. I bought 12,000 of BA at $125 and sell when it got to 225. Oh wow, that's crazy. You did pretty good there, Lincoln. That's awesome. Yeah, just buying and holding and selling at a pretty good profit. That's hella nice. Hell yeah. Let's see, maybe just in case I could buy an apple. Like my flipping apple. See, check out the live Solana. See, buy one apple. Poof. Gave me a pear instead. Nice. Apple gave me a pear. Awesome. I need to give it another shot. Maybe this time they'll give me something better. Poof. At least they gave an apple this time. Hell yeah, some midnight snacks. Maybe I gotta try to give it back to them, return it, shove it back in the screen or something. uh, Peer phone. I don't do what you do because I figure it out yet. Let's see. I had a coworker back in 2020 that told me to invest in Roblox, which he was actually right. Peer phone. I don't do what you do because I figure it out yet. Because I figure it out yet. Okay, let's see. So Apple's pretty decent. So let's see. For the long term, I think Apple's a good play. Like you look at the whole chart, like it's just trending upward. Like just in the 5 years, it's up 124. It's not moving super fast, but it is moving up. So for the last year, it's like up 16.47. Year to date, 7.09. 3 months, it's actually up quite a bit. Yeah, for a long term, Apple's pretty safe. A pretty safe play, pretty good play. I kind of like that one. Okay, I'm gonna go check on the crypto thingy because I got an alert saying that the cat's hungry. The cyber kitty is hungry. I gotta try to feed it. Let me see. Where's the cyber kitty? Where is the flipping cyber kitty? Oh, there's a cyber kitty. See the cyber meal? I just adopted that one, the cat in a dog's world. I just adopted that flipping crypto cyber kitty thingy. So I bought $1 worth of it, and it turned into 97 cents. Like weird. Let me see. Maybe just for the heck of it, I'll add another $1 to it. Because the kitty's hungry, I gotta feed my cyber kitty right here. I already fed my cyber puppies earlier. Now it's a cyber kitty. I just adopted that one. It's pretty cool. I adopted my flippin' cyber kitty. Apple is charging CEO. Oh, really? They're charging the CEO? That's weird. Charging or changing? Charging CEO for something? Oh, kind of interesting. Maybe I should ask my paper thingy, see if it's worth it to buy some more of the cat and the mule thingy. You know, should I buy some more of the mule thingy? See what it says. Should add some more of that. It said yes, so it knows that the kitty's hungry and I gotta feed it some more. So I guess I'll add a tiny bit more to that one. So I guess it wants me to feed the cyber kitty a tiny bit more, so I guess I gotta do that. It's at least a tiny bit more. Gotta adjust this thingy here a little bit. So I'll toss it a couple more bones on that one, see what it does. I think it's kind of worth it. Kitty, the cyber kitty's hungry. Okay, let's see. So I fed that one. Let's see. Maybe I should ask if I should feed the cyber puppy. So should I feed the cyber puppy some more? Let's see what it says. Should I feed the Shiba Inu cyber puppy some more? So it said yes. So my flipping cyber critters are hungry as hell. I gotta make sure I add some food to them. Flipping crazy, insanely hungry. Gotta make sure them flipping cyber critters don't bite me like crazy. Gotta make sure they don't bite me like crazy hell. So I gotta make sure I keep on feeding them a little bit. Them cyber bites are not the greatest, you know. I mean, sometimes it's okay, but sometimes it's just not worth it, you know. Like I think one bone for now, it'll be good. It'll be better than nothing. Just one cyber bone at the moment for the cyber puppy. Oh, changing, yes, changing CEO. Like, oh, that's crazy. Like, when is the change? Do you know when the change is gonna happen? That's pretty crazy. They're changing the CEO, so that might affect it for sure. The new CEO, things sometimes take a tiny bit of a while to kind of change. Some pretty crazy stuff, pretty interesting stuff. So I fed the cyber critters, so they're taken care of. Like I gotta make sure they don't bite me, so it's all good. Let's see. I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow if the market will start recovering or not. Guess we'll figure it out. I gotta flip and work like crazy tomorrow. I'm so tired. But I guess at least I got some things figured out in the stock market here for right now for tomorrow. Got some ideas and some things I might do. Okay, so I guess let me see. I'll be going to bed. I gotta work tomorrow, so I guess I'll see you guys later. Have a good night.